Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. It is July 17th, and this chip sell-off that we saw has now turned into proper risk-off. NQ down to 28,675, down 1.89% on the night or on the session. We've given back the entire soft CPI rally, which was really good, and some. Netflix reported last night it beat. And then it's now down almost 11% on after hours guidance. So we've got 3 days straight, actually, of good news getting sold. And that is the tell. If we open up the VIX here, it finally broke 18, right? 1845. It's up 10.35%. Brent is up like 11% on the week. Oil is up 1.72% on the session. And then overnight, Iran told the Houthis to be ready to close the Red Sea if we hit their power plants. It's a weekly close, live today, into a live war. Let's get into it. How's everybody doing? How we doing? Thank God it's Friday. Agreed. Good morning. I hope everybody had a good last night. Good morning this morning. If you're in Chicago, hopefully you have an air filter or some kind of air mask or some shit. If I like randomly pass out during this, it's probably from that. Probably carbon monoxide poisoning or some shit. But yeah. We've had quite a week. We've got quite a day coming up. A lot to cover. A lot of craziness in the market. A lot of craziness geopolitically. Yeah. Got the morning coffee. Let's fucking get it. Yeah, I got to get my iced coffee this morning. We got to get rolling. We got to make some bandos today. Ooh, Wisconsin's probably terrible. Yeah, I couldn't even believe it. I was driving home last night, and I'm like, this car smells like there's a literal fire inside here. Good morning. Where's the potato? Potato comes on in roughly 26 minutes. So let's see. What do I want to start with? Macro. All right, so let's jump into it here. So yesterday, we talked and said that this sell-off was not necessarily panic yet and more just rotation. And I think overnight, it actually became real, like, risk-off. Like, maybe we are hitting some bearish timing in the market or a little bearish regime here. So I think it's important because there's a few things that line up together, and together they make this more of like why we're selling and why we might keep selling. So let's start with Tuesday. Soft C. Wait, yeah. Are we still in the same week? Yeah. Okay. All right. This week felt so long. Soft CPI Tuesday, Wednesday PPI mixed. ASML beat, then faded. Thursday, earning wise, TSMC posted insane record profit, raised its outlook, fell 3%. Last night, Netflix beat on earnings. Their earnings per share was like a cent over what was expected. Stock got absolutely hammered, down 10% and dropping significantly low. I wonder what it's actually at relative to the past. Let's go to the weekly on Netflix. Yeah, I mean, Netflix looks terrible now, and Netflix looks awful. So earnings wise, this has been a really rough week, ASML, TSMC, and Netflix. 3 massive tech names, 3 beat, 3 had sell-offs. So I think when a market starts to refuse to reward good news over and over, we said yesterday it was just to sell the news. I don't think it's a news problem anymore. We said that it's likely just the price. So I think it's just positioning and a valuation problem. So everybody's already long. Everyone expected the beats. So there's no one left to buy the good news, and every reason for early money to then sell it. So this is what I would imagine a top looks like in slow motion, not like a crash or a distribution. I think the Q2 rally that we saw is now in that rearview mirror, and price is telling us that the easy money for this leg has been made. And now everybody might just think that Netflix is, not a chip stock and like, who gives a shit? But Netflix isn't a chip stock. And I think that's exactly why the reaction on it matters. So the chip selling, you could write that off as an AI evaluation thing, or not AI evaluation, an AI valuation. But Netflix getting sold on a beat tells us that the sell any tech that doesn't massively surprise, that kind of behavior has spread beyond semis. So the read on that is you have revenue grew. Wait, hold on. What did it actually grow? Revenue grew 11% versus 12% the prior quarter, a small deceleration. For a stock priced on future growth, even a tiny slowdown in momentum matters more than the penny EPS beat that they had. It was 13 cents versus, or it was 80 cents versus 79, by the way. The market is done paying premium multiples for decelerating growth. And I think that's a message to every expensive tech name, not just Netflix. And this is why it's spread from a chip story into a broader tech derating. Yeah, exactly. Trader XD. I think it's starting to affect the broader market. I don't think the pricing is there. Everything is so, some of these big tech names are so expensive that unless they have an insane beat, it's just the value is not there yet or anymore. And so the thing that I think is driving most of it, but it's also like counterintuitive, is TSMC, manufacturer for all like the big name chips, raised its capital spending from 60 to 64 billion. That's the company that builds the chips, saying demand is so strong that it has to spend more. That should be bullish. Instead, the market sold TSMC because that gigantic spending number is the bear case. So all the CapEx is a massive bill that someone eventually has to earn a return on. And the worry crystallizing this week, what if AI spending is so enormous, but the profits to justify it are years away, or they never come at the scale being priced? So what I think is the bull case and the bear case are exactly the same right now. Bulls see record demand. Bears see a record bill. That tension is why I think that chips are just whipping like, 4 to 7% on a day. And it's not resolving today. And then now we have fear showing up because the VIX is over 18. It's not like bad yet. I mean, I think Schrodinger says like 20 is like the number. And I think I've seen multiple people say 20 is when the VIX is real fear. But I think the rotation now is actually becoming risk off. So under 20 is technically calm, but the direction of where the VIX is going matters. VIX going from 16 to 18 while good news gets sold and the war escalates is the market starting to price fear. I say we watch 20. A break of 20 is where the line stops being like a healthy pullback and starts being something that we start having to defend against. We're not there, but closer than we've been all week, especially after all the good news we have. Then you have, I'd be fine if a collapse happened. I'd be totally okay with it. I want it to happen so I could get some money in the market. So then, not only do we have Netflix and like the tell of the sell coming into the NASDAQ, the war is still escalating like even more, and there's a whole new front to it. So not only everybody's staring at chip stocks and getting concerned at their value in tech, the war got worse. So the United States struck Iran for the 6th consecutive night. 5 bridges hit, 7 people killed, and the U.S. reportedly hit an oil tanker near Iran's main export terminal for the first time since reimposing the blockade. What does Iran do? They retaliate against U.S. bases in Kuwait and Jordan. Now, this is the new part of it. I mean, that we could have expected. The new and important one that we're seeing now is Iran told the Houthis to be ready to close the Red Sea, and I'm going to butcher this, but I don't know how, in the Bab el Mandeb Strait, if the U.S. strikes Iran's power sources and like power infrastructure, better put. So we flagged this early in the week. We talked about it. That strait is Saudi's. That's Saudi's workaround runs through the Red Sea where the Houthis are, right? That risk is going very live. So now you have both major oil routes out of the Gulf, Hormuz, and the Red Sea under threat at the same time. That is a setup that keeps a floor on oil, regardless of what stocks do. Yeah, when they're out of missiles. Yeah, right. Yeah, they're never out of missiles. And so, what else? Oh yeah, and there's the 60-day ceasefire memorandum expires on August 16th. So I think that there's probably going to end up being some narrow face-saving deal at the end, but we're a month out and there's, strikes every single night and no framework for it. So, what's PCAL? I've never heard of PCAL before. PCAL. Wait, PCAL. Paul short sale volume? What is that? Oh, 78,000. Whoa, what am I looking at? Wait, that can't be the right thing that you were mentioning. Can it? Oh, put the call ratio? Am I looking at the right thing? That's kind of crazy, though. Gets over 1, be rated by the dev. Interesting. Wait, I'll see what you put it for the next message. And so, all right, let's pull up oil real quick. So oil over 80. We were talking yesterday and pretty much every day this week about how oil needed to stay between 79 and 80. And if anything above that, we can see tech starting to slip from it. But I mean, crude transit through the Strait of Hormuz has fallen 62% so far. So now they're down to, about 4.1 million barrels a day. So that war premium finally made it back into the barrel. Oil is now down because of it, or oil transport is now down because of it. Oil is up in the market. But the unfortunate part is that the Red Sea is now being threatened. So oil, again, I've said it every day, is the master variable. It's the headwind for tech because higher oil is going to feed that inflation worry that's going to keep the Fed from riding to the rescue. So oil, we just have to watch it, but oil is going to keep us, keep the floor. There's a floor on oil because of what's happening in the Middle East, and that's going to keep a ceiling on NQ. So the only good things that have happened this week, the one good thing is data. We had 2 soft inflation prints this week. CPI, PPI. Oh man, I need a coffee. Wait, Dr. Bob Elliott, what's the ticker then? That was that was PCAL. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong thing. What are they saying? Oh yeah, CPI and PPI. Yesterday's data, we had a soft landing print, soft consumer, hot manufacturing, tight jobs. The Fed has every reason to stay on hold, and that's the floor under the market right now. But the tension going into this weekend is a friendly Fed with good data can't fix an AI valuation reset or the widening war that we're seeing, right? So low rates don't make expensive stocks cheap, and they don't reopen the Red Sea. So the floor is real, and that's why, let's see, ES, Where's ES relative to, because if this makes sense, then the floor would be, all right, so off its highs here. All right, so ES is pretty much about 2.5% off of all-time highs and down 1.72% off the recent highs. And then you have NQ, however, is down 2.7% off its highs. So like data is keeping these up, and why they're not like collapsing, because I think otherwise like this would be pretty crazy. Oh wait, what the hell? I was like, wait, that doesn't make sense that NQ would be 2%. NQ's got to be like freaking 20, like 10, 15, 10, 8. Okay, so we're 8% off the highs on NQ. Okay, that makes more sense. I was like looking at it, I'm like, for one, that sounds oddly like the number I just said like 3 seconds ago. Holy Friday. Yo, morning, Abo. Try PCC. Let's see. Ah. Okay. So when this is all right, Dr. Barbelli is saying oh my gosh, this is a crazy chart. Oh my gosh. When this is over 1, it's no bueno. Ready to buy. Oh, ready to buy the dip. Oh, I see. Okay. Wait, that's kind of cool. Wait, how do I flag this? PCC. All right, cool. That's been added into my arsenal. Sick. Okay. All right. Jeez. Already 18 minutes in. I don't remember what I was saying. But anyway, all right, levels for today that I'm gonna be looking at, because I think I'm obviously gonna be bearish, but how bearish is the real question. So let's look at, so yesterday's value area high ended up right around here. Yesterday's value area low ended up here. We can move previous day low to here. And then previous day's POC is here. So now we are well below our weekly value area low. We are well below yesterday's value and well below previous day value. So we have to really zoom out. We are in a dangerous spot. I personally, I think early June, we had a low. So pretty much last month's low at 520. Previous month low. PML. Wow. When's the last time I actually had to put that on a chart? We've literally never tapped the previous month low in so long. Anyway, we're coming into previous month's low. Like, it's crazy. This is the only level. It's the only level other than the developing profile that I'll have when the market is open. This is the only level that I have right now. And there's nothing. There's literally nothing. Look. Like, we're looking at a crazy chart right now. I don't remember when we were talking about it, but whenever we said that this was the top, I still think this is the top. I still think that double/triple, whatever you want to call that, was the top. And this is, I mean, come on, just dump it hard so that we can get in some positions. But yeah, so previous month low is the level that I'm looking for now. Break below that, and I'll just probably scalp shorts and ride the wave. I mean, there's really not much that I'll be looking for other than that, because I'm not bullish. What I would be looking for, maybe more specifically, is if we do get some kind of pump, I'm not going to chase longs at all. I will probably just fade every rally that we get. I'm pretty much perma bear at the moment. We would have to get back up into 29,300 for me to have any meaningful reason to long. Like, there's nothing. I mean, you have Asia high here, Asia lows. I mean, this is crazy. Asia low sitting like pretty much right around here. I'm not going to be picky about it. Asia low. And then we've got London high just barely anywhere. And obviously London low pretty much at previous month low. So these are like this range is fucking crazy. Why does the overnight session get the best 600? It's like 50 points. Why does the overnight session get the best freaking? Oh my god. And then we got to deal with this shit in New York. Insane. So I will be shorting pops. I will not be taking longs unless we get a significant move. And at that point, I'm just going to be honest with you. I'm not longing today unless we sweep this previous month low and see some of the most ridiculous volume behind it to come back up. I don't want to chase shorts unless we get a rally back up. But if we just get some weird ass rally off the open, don't touch previous month low, and we come like all the way up here for, again, I have no idea why we would just shoot up like 600 points. But if we do, because we could, I'm going to close my chart and I'm not trading shit. I don't want that. This is not a day I feel like torching my live. We're back. This is the 1 week anniversary of the Trump tweet absolutely annihilating my shit. And we're back to 17K. We are back to the 17 bands that Trump stole from us last Friday. So I'm not risking this. I might, but I'm not ideally risking this on a day like today where the whole move happened overnight. We're sitting right above previous month low with nothing underneath it. There's like no volume traded here, by the way, too. This is just straight fucking, or excuse my language. This is a straight moonshot. I'm not looking for much here. I don't think that that's the move. I mean, you go on any time frame, and this was a straight shot up. So this could be a free fall. Do I want to be part of the free fall? I would love to be part of the free fall. If we can get up to Asia or London high, Asia low or London high, maybe we take the shorts. Otherwise, we've got to stay very, very vigilant today because this is a 650 plus point move overnight. We've got war news looming over us. I've got smoke eating away at my brain right now from Canada. By the way, get it together. This shit would not have happened if you were the 51st state. We've got good data that supports some kind of move up. We have all of tech getting pretty much sold off, no matter what their news, what their earnings are like, what their guidance is like. So that tells you something. VIX is rapidly approaching 20. Oil is just freaking sending. What else? Not the fear monger, but like, my gosh, it's gonna go lower. I don't want to get cooked on some random ass pop like 300 points. So free fall and then make new highs next year. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm down with that. Oh yeah, we do have consumer sentiment coming up. 2 minis, 50 point stop at open, 20K. Fuck. Be a man, go long and strong. Dude, I'm not trying to get cooked on a long today. We'll see what the let's just see what the overnight profile looks like because it's probably ridiculous. How could it not be? Also, Godspeed to anybody that long that overnight. Yeah, I mean, the overnight session right now, there's like no volume up here. A shit ton of volume here. But we'll see what the open looks like. I might actually stop this right before the open and then start a new one just because I want to see how we react to these overnight levels. There's no other profile for me to look at. We're not anywhere near the weekly or yesterday's profile. So we've got a little to work with, and we'll have to see what the developing session looks like. But this is kind of what we'll keep our eye on. Arguably this 748 level, London high, and the current value area high. We'll see what we get at each of these levels. If we get bearish divergence on the CVD and cumulative volume delta, then we might take shorts depending on the pop. But we got to be careful. I don't want to rush anything. Last week we torched, and we're back to where we were this Friday. So either today we quadruple the account or we torch it. No, I'm kidding. Just be safe today. This is a crazy, crazy day. Yeah, Trump could tweet a ceasefire. He could tweet that, or Iran could tweet. They've got enough power to move the market now. They tweet and the market moves like 50 to 100 to 200 points. So all that to say, there is so much now on the line. There's so many bad things happening, but there's a couple good. Data's good, but you have earnings that are good, but they sell off because of guidance and people are selling tech on value. AI capex theory is I know I have 3 minutes. I could talk for like 45 more. But the biggest thing right now is the fact that the AI bubble is you have bulls saying that because demand is so freaking high right now, it's bullish as shit. Then you have bears who are saying demand is high, but they're spending a ridiculous amount of money. Are we ever going to see the return on it? More demand, more costs. They have the same exact, they're using the same thing to justify bull or bear. And I think that's a concern. That's when you know that this could get dicey, because that's like whenever we're in the market in the morning and we're like, I could argue long or short, so I'm going to stay out because I couldn't make up my mind on either. That's what tech AI is right now. I could argue bull or bear, just depending on which lens you look through. So I think that's a big, what's what I'm looking for? Come on. What's what I'm looking for? Shoot. It's like a big caveat for the market right now. And it's a concern. So I think it's another reason to just, if you've had a good week, tone it down this week, tone it down today, relax. Everybody we got to stay locked in. We have to stay diligent today. Nobody do any crazy shit. And by nobody, I'm kind of talking to myself. But anyway, we got a minute. It's time for the Spud to come in, reverse everything that I just said, and full port 17 bands on a live account. I hope all this was somewhat helpful. We've got crazy macro in today's world at this point, so there's always a lot for me to cover. But let's make some bandos today. Godspeed, God bless, and I'll see you guys in a couple minutes.
Welcome to Tradeify.
First of all, going long. You think prices will go up, so you buy first and sell later.
The mistake people make is picking what sounds impressive instead of what actually fits their trading style.
Let's start with the basics. What type of account am I actually trading?
Do you want to learn more about trading but scared to risk your own money?
Let's talk about the 3 most important numbers you need to watch in Tradeify.
The markets can be noisy.
Dow fell more than 800 points by the closing bell.
The shifting winds of the economy. Most people get a headache just trying to keep their balance. But see Travis over here. He doesn't feel the noise. Because with instant funding and fast payouts, the world is a very quiet place. So you can get back to causing headaches for everyone else. Tradeify, the champion mindset.
Trade their capital, not yours.
Good morning, everybody. We are back. Hey, MG, now you wrote it correctly. Grüezi with an E. That's how we say kind of high in Swiss German. Grüezi miteinander, guten Morgen, wie geht's? Hope you're all doing well. Put a 1 in the chat if you're ready for the day. Put a 1 in the chat if you love this other Nick for the past 30 minutes. Put a 1 in the chat if you're ready for the spot. And put a 1 in the chat if you're ready to make some money. Let's get it. Good morning, Maverick. Good morning, Pericles. Good morning, Stereo. Good morning, Mr. Chan Bang. Good morning, Ruchi. Good morning, MG. Already told you. Good morning, Sophie Love. Good morning, Ala. Good morning, Ghost Trader. Good morning, 6-7. William. Good morning, Gary. Good morning, MG. Oh, dude, I said good morning 3 times to you. Anyways, good morning, good morning, good morning. Morning, Mad Max. I hope you all are doing fantastic. Tony, if you could go to my screen really quick. We are still in the Long from London chat. So for those of you who were on during the London stream, I took, as you can see, so let me walk you through it. I took a long at quarter to 1 a.m. Eastern time at 28,828 and 3/4. Added into it at 28,721 and 1/4. Added into it on the oh shit candle, as you all saw in the London stream, at 28,625. Then took 2 contracts off at 28,800. And I also closed my hedge, which I opened at the bottom. And I said it during the London stream. I said, this is likely the bottom when I open the hedge. So the hedge is closed. 2 contracts are out. I still got 2 contracts left. We haven't reached the entry point where I entered these 2 contracts yet, but we are about to, maybe, who knows, maybe it goes straight up, we will see. So 2 MNQs right now at 28,625, only longs, except of course the MES short. But so far we're good, we're safe, and we see how it goes. We see how it goes. All right. Pericles, when did I exit the ES hedge? Good question. I exited it when I took off these 2 MNQs. Right, so I take off half of my MNQ position and I took off the hedge alongside that. Thank you, Fede Pilot. Good morning, Gerhard. Good morning, Jabeezy. Hope you're all doing well. Order Flow says, can you do a poll? I want chat to decide which select account should I buy today, 25K or 550Ks. Look, honest opinion, take 150Ks. Do not go with 25Ks or 50Ks. Do it right. Go with 150s. Why? Simply because you have more drawdown and you need the drawdown. It's just going to make your life easier. Mo says, Nick, would you take another long at these prices if you weren't in already, or does the price action tell you it's bearish? Hey, look, it's very simple. It's very simple. I think a bit different than most, right? If we look at this, yesterday, we had a 719.5 point session, okay? From the very high to the very low. Today, from the very high to the very low, we have another 671 point session. We're low, guys, okay? What does everybody always say? Buy low, sell high. What does nobody ever do? Buy low, sell high. Guess what I'm doing? Buy low, sell high. So this is my territory here. Longs all day, long as fuck. 6-7 William says, Nick, do you look at pivot points and CPR? No. The Afghan trader. So your P&L on this so far is red, Nick, because of the hedge. Small red. Look, I'll show you. It is small red. It is $158 realized, currently $77 unrealized. So basically break even for the moment. It's a little bit red. Let's just call it a small red because it is. Where's sell side trade? What do you mean sell side trade? Discipline says, are you proper trading or hedging? Now I'm in just one position, 2 MNQs long, no hedge. But I had a hedge on before from around this area, like around 4:30 in the morning, Eastern time, on MES, 2 micros. Violets are blue. How many micros do you recommend on 150K count? I always start my position with 1 micro. 1 micro, and then I work it, meaning I work my average down. Or how you guys in the chat like to call it, I gamble and DCA. Hey Nick, do I have to buy 1 by 1 150K accounts? Yeah, that's correct. That is correct. Yeah, the Afghan trader, pay attention when I do it. You'll learn it. You will learn it. Thank you, Pericles. Appreciate you. I didn't know you were German. Did we talk in German before? Huh. Not sure. The visionary hedging. HEDGING. Full Port Maki says, Nick, you're right. This strat will not work on 50k. Averaging will definitely hurt. Yeah, 50k, ping, ping, gone, like Trump would say. Long to go infinite. What is your stop loss on your current long position? I do not trade with the stop loss. Don't have one. Ian Walker. How are you talking to somebody else? Hala, how did you lock your measurement tool on TradingView? Lock my measurement tool? What do you mean? I'm just zoomed in on the browser right now. So nothing crazy magical I did. Morning, Daniel. Daniel Estebane. How we doing? How we doing? I think we're ready to bring the spot on. Are we? Oh, the smoked potato is ready, guys. See, he coughed on command.
Yeah.
On command.
Because I went to freaking. We have one of those big. What are those called? Like. Oh my god, my eyesight. No, hold on. Stay here. Don't move.
And he's floating away, chat.
Yeah, that's what.
And he's floating away.
Okay, it's like a big, like Levolt. I don't know if anybody in these states has those, like the Levoit or whatever, air purifiers. We have one of those, and it's been cooking, and I got it up there. But I went to like go clean out the air filter. By the way, is black. But I went to go like clean the air filter, but I didn't turn it off. So I lifted up the top part, and then it just shot all this like dust and shit in my face. So then I just had a massive coughing attack, and I'm pretty sure a bunch of it's in the back of my throat. Ooh.
All right. What did I just tell you before the stream?
I know. As soon as I said it, I was like, oh.
Yeah, he just got this full entire shot in his throat. Anyways, let's go to the intro. Let's go to the intro. You ready, Spud?
Oh, that's not good. That's not good.
Ready for your intro?
Yeah. I'm yeah. I'm ready.
Good. All right, chat. Let me introduce you, Bodhi. This is for you, okay? Let me introduce you to the one and only golden looking, cheapy trading, definitely not gambling, never DCAing, deep frying, MOC slapping, SJW coach king, ketchup throwing, sitting, easily baited 3 times, baddie for patty, downward abusing, cattle mastering, sniper controlling, bottom tick, keyword trading, old hating, testifying, RV destroying, shirtless clubbing, ASDF movie loving, stars are trading, 100-point trade taking, judge by yep. Not you spinning, big 7 seed winning, IT support working, definitely not spinning, trading, Luna presenting, labadabing, long up first strat trading, white shark strike, fast, not Pokemon car pack ripper, who rock and drive. Reverse, most beautiful potato. After up section, ribs, ripping, bamboozler, Grand Cup half finalist, Miami pole dance king, world's most famous DJ, Dr. Professor Low Sputnik.
Let's go, happy Friday! Time to get lit, Swifty, make bandos, and steal wives today. Keep them safe. How we doing?
Hey, there we go. All right, so I heard this other guy before, this other Nick is talking about shorts. I'm only talking about longs. So what are you gonna do, Potato?
Fuck. See, the hard part is longs would be great because I don't want to short until like 700, 800. So like that would be 150, 200 points on a long. But this magnet of the previous month low sitting at 520 is what would concern me for longs, because like obviously the risk to reward, like longs to the stop below one of these makes sense and you can ride this thing all the way back up, but I don't know, I'm pretty bearish on the day.
All right,
just need to short the top.
So you're not gonna fuck the other Nick over and go long instead, of course, even though he said shorts. Let's see, chat. Let's see. I'm not sure yet. I think the Spud suddenly goes long. We'll see. Stay tuned.
That's funny. I have a tendency to flip.
We have about 100 times less people today than yesterday, but that's fine. Okay, 64.
Oh yeah, I was like,
when
wait,
I came
what?
back, I opened the stream again. I was like, holy shit, what's going on here?
That was insane. Actually insane.
Yeah, that was actually insane. That is true.
Yeah, the polls dictate my decisions. Opening
All
play,
right.
pump, dump.
Now we're back at my entry point, as you can see, chat. Oh no, I round trip 200 points. Oh my god, I'm cooked. Ah, help, help.
200
Alright.
points.
Yep.
Fuck.
But I took two
What's
off,
that?
to be fair.
Oh, okay. What's that TP at the
Took
top
two
there?
off. Oh, I got two.
60
One is
like
at
29K.
863. One is at 863, and one is at 29,001 and a quarter.
Ooh.
Ooh. But we'll see. We will see what we're gonna do. I'm willing to move those. They are just there for now, and we're gonna be fine. All gonna be fine. I gotta be careful though. I said that I told the London stream already. Yesterday I had a red day, so therefore my drawdown is smaller than usual. So that's why I had to hedge earlier than usual today during the London stream, which sucked a bit. However, it kept me safe. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see if we can make a comeback here on these accounts.
What are they at?
I had a $2,800 loss yesterday, so I got about 1,600-ish drawdown.
All right, that's comebackable. I just this is completely irrelevant and completely unrelated, but it just makes me laugh because it's so on par with my buddy. He got this mouthwash that's supposed to be like really strong and like really good, and he used it, and he sent a pic and a video, or not a video. He sent a message in our group chat like last night, and he's like, "Oh my gosh, this thing literally stung my mouth. Like it hurts so bad. That's the worst experience ever. This shit has to be so strong." And then he sent us a picture this morning. He goes, that explains it. And then he sends a screenshot of a picture of the back of it. And it says, "Do not use at full strength. Dilute 5 parts water, 1 part this mouthwash." I was like, yeah, no shit. You just put like, you just did like 5 parts with no water, just 5 parts mouthwash, no water. I didn't even know there was mouthwash that strong.
I didn't know that either. So we learned something.
Gosh.
Hey, you got some crazy fires, or like at least smoke going on in your ear, huh?
Yeah, do you see the air quality shit that we were saying?
Yeah. It kind of sucks.
It's insane. You go outside for a little bit and like your head gets a little foggy. Like I'm wondering, like they said that going outside every time you go outside is the equivalent of smoking cigarettes.
That kind of sucks. You might as well stay inside and smoke.
I that's what my friend said. He's like, you might as well just stay inside, chain rip cigarettes, and just enjoy it.
And I don't even smoke.
Yeah, I was saying I've literally never hit a cigarette in my life, but like now that I'm smoking them, I might as well actually have one. Free cigs.
He's just going outside. Like,
Yeah, like if it had the nicotine, if you walked outside, then maybe, but I don't want the negative effects without at least a little buzz. Yeah, watching smokers outside is crazy. I mean, there's so many people just walking around outside.
ooh, the opening play poll is even 50%, 50%. Good old fitty.
Good old fitty.
Yugario says, seeing Nick sitting down is weird. First time here for New York Open. I was walking during the New York stream usually, and then I started to realize I could just take my walking pad out during the London stream, and then I already have 12,000 steps before I even eat lunch. Like, how great is that?
Oh.
So I started doing this, and now I can sit during the New York stream, which is better because currently it's really hot in Switzerland, and that means it gets really hot in the afternoon. And when I walk, it gets even hotter in here, so I just sit. Boom.
Cobweb King said we need to tariff that smoke. That's so funny. Oh gosh, Dane. Yeah, Canada's having crazy wildfires right now, and all the smoke is blowing south and just smothering Wisconsin, Chicago, and probably other Midwest states. Smothering.
Crazy.
Taking big
but the
payouts with
wildfires are in Canada, right?
Yeah, and they had this last year too.
Hey, patterns.
Guys.
You can start trading it.
I think this is like what you call it? It's like sabotage. I think they're trying to sabotage the states. It's Chicago. They're just after Chicago. More than 100 wildfires. Detroit, Chicago, Washington, D.C. were ranking as the world's most polluted major cities.
Damn.
Early this morning. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
All right, United States, it's time to rally behind something. This is just another excuse to rally, but we need to rally against Canada because this is their fault.
That is nuts. Nuts. Okay. The opening play poll is now saying 53% pump, 47% dump. Ooh, are we moving towards a pump opening play? We'll see. I don't think the spot is going to like that, though, chat. You got to think about him when you
Dude, what the
press
hell?
that button. Can't just randomly press it.
Oh my, I can't even, like, I'm just reading this shit. Like, fine particle pollution from wildfire smoke can cause shortness of breath, causing dizziness, fatigue, aggravated heart, lung disease, and other chronic health issues. Experts suggest stay inside, blah, blah. Long-term exposure to fine particulate matter from wildfire smoke is one of the leading causes of premature death.
That sucks.
Yo, the spud needs to stay alive. You gotta get out of here.
You better stay alive.
Oh wait, I gotta put the towel under my door. My fiance.
Fly over to Switzerland. It's all good here. Air quality great.
All right, we'll have to come to Switzy. We'll have to get ourselves some fresh mountain air. All right, let me go stick this towel under my door because my fiance is bugging about that. Heavy.
Kyle, do you do any giveaway in New York session, Nick? Oh yeah, boy. First like goal for the first giveaway is actually gonna be 377. Once we reach 377 likes on the stream, we're gonna run a givey for the Rippy. So hit that like button, chat, if you want free accounts. Do it. Gold Trading Wizard says, does Switzerland want retired U.S. Army vets? I don't know. No idea. And for those of you who are about to ask, because many people have asked before, I have no idea how to get Swiss citizenship. I was lucky enough to be born to Swiss parents. Perco says, chocolate and cheese, high quality too in Switzerland. Hey, and watches. And watches. Yes, but if you fly to Switzerland, we got the rollies you want, you know?
The roll easy one?
Yeah, we got the rollies.
Oh, the rollies. I thought it was like roll easy one. I was like, what the hell is that?
No, the rollies you want.
Oh, yeah. All right. Okay. Fuck. Spot at the 40th floor in the clouds looking down. I was like watching people in hell from heaven. Yeah, you'd be surprised. I mean, the streets are actually like dead, as in there are literally no people walking outside, but there are some. And you know what's even crazier? I saw people running, like jogging.
Yeah, that's kind of dumb.
Like, is this would you consider that an attempt? Because I would.
I mean, kind of.
I mean, shit.
Yeah, that's wild. That is actually wild.
Yeah, so gotta make it through. I don't know how long this lasts. Like, if the wildfires keep going, like how many days are we gonna be smothered in smoke or what? But the only thing we could do at this point is make bandos. If we're gonna go out, we might as well go out where my Tradeify shows a crazy P&L.
That's true.
Mm-hmm.
Now you got to decide if you want to take it easy and chill or if you want to go crazy.
I know.
If
this is it, man, like we gotta send it.
We'll send. All right. Oki says, Nick, if you catch me talking shit about your trades, I just want you to print out my receipt. All right, Oki.
And yeah, Oki's right. These wouldn't
good.
have happened if they were our 51st state. You know what? This might be the reason that they become it. But you guys can't take care of yourselves. We gotta step in, take it over.
Hey, also, chat, keep in mind, okay? when you trade today, no matter what you do, we had a 719.5 point session yesterday, total from top tick to bottom tick. Today, so far, overnight, 671 points from top tick to bottom tick. So, pretty big moves. Do with that what you want. I know what I do with it. But keep in mind. Keep it in mind. So what's this overnight session called, Bud?
What's that?
Yeah, because the night before we had like a 400-ish point overnight session, and you said it was insane. So now we got 670 points overnight. So what is this?
Hold on. Hold on. Provide me a moment. Maniacal.
Oh, that sounds fancy.
Yeah, I know. Acting with extreme, often frenzied or violent madness.
Ah, there you go. There you go.
This is a maniacal night. And if I will be beyond furious if we just keep grinding lower towards the open, and if we actually, for whatever reason, dump 80 points in 7 minutes before the open and take out previous month low, I'm gonna lose it.
I would laugh.
My mom's like, come home, get out of the city. No, mother, I have to hold down the fort here.
Mother.
Bandos cannot be made.
Mother, I cannot
leave.
come back to the farm. I have to be impassive. I will protect you.
So it does kind of look like a W pattern looking. But it could also be a check mark pattern. An upside down check mark. And straight down. Who knows? All right, 600 on NQ in a minute here. Man, this is gonna be it's gonna be one of those days, dude. It's gonna be one of those days. SMT forming. I haven't used SMT before. I see it, but I don't know if you. Oh, there is SMT. Already below yesterday's low. Yeah, Mama's about worried. Yeah, we're below. We're way below yesterday's low. We're below the weekly low. We're below yesterday's low. Below weekly profile. Yesterday's profile. The only low we have left right now is previous month low at 520, and then freaking I don't know. Bye.
Nate Dog, lesson 3. Whose screen is this and why is it long? It's my screen and it is long because I love to buy low and sell high. You know it. I got 2 micros left from the London long. Two are taken off at 28,800. So I got 2 left. We'll see where the journey of those 2 goes. But chat, we're ready to bring somebody on here. We need 60 more likes for a giveaway. So hit those while I run the intro, okay? Can you hit 60 likes while I do the intro? Let's see. We got 317. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's introduce you to the one and only future slaying, matcha drinking, self-muting, hawker walking, stranger hugging, Slack notification hitting, do not disturb mode, forgetting, phone buzzing, bottom tick, loving, rap battle, killing, non-official Disney princess, Vegas casino gambler, rabbit, gobble, world traveler, cinema, sick, coffee drinker, marathon training, plane holding, voice losing, all-time high hating, on the journey to club 33, being karaoke singing, 15 mini GC trading, sometimes blondie, rock, paper, scissors champion, watermelon juice sipping, 4 a.m. gym club member, intro practicing, feet dangling, market making, AOT watching, tech issue queen, crisscross no loss, unky hunky that girl in the middle, unplugged camera lady, aggressively typing, not white tea wearing, goil trading, curly trading, matcha mommy, fat short.
Hey.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Dude, I could listen to
Happy
that shit this whole time.
Friday.
Oh, and we almost did
Friday.
it. 372 chat. We need 377. Come on, hit that like button.
God,
Fast.
what are we doing? Come on,
Quick.
guys. Do it
Yo,
for the fat shawty.
If we don't get that, we
No,
won't
but
get back
that's
to the
not-
60,000 viewers. We have to hit these likes,
Yeah.
or we're not going to get the same
Poor
viewership.
Amos yesterday. I tuned into his session. He was just like, what is happening? He was getting like just botted. I was like, oh, poor guy. He's never gone through this before.
Womp, womp.
That's so funny.
First timer over here. Hi, chat.
Poor
What's
Amos.
going on? What's going on? I hope you're all
Heyo.
doing well. I hope you're all having a great Friday. I am having a wonderful Friday. Have my coffee. I have my charts. I took a massive short last night.
Oh, yeah.
Chilling. We were
Nice.
chilling. So, what I'm looking for today, obviously, I've been talking about this distribution range that we've been sitting in. If we go to my charts real quick, I'll take the next minute and a half to just go over this. But we have broken below this lower end of the distribution. Actually, actually, I didn't even realize this. So we did break it, but we are still holding by a thread. Okay, what I'm looking at, this is the weekly chart or the daily chart. I'm sorry. You see these candles right here on June 9th and June 11th. Okay, this 510 level is the lower end of that distribution. Now, I do have this trend line that broke. That's where I entered my short overnight. But I am still looking to see if bulls maybe have it in them. Otherwise, if we break this 500 level, I do see us going down to this 28,181, maybe trying to hold this 181 level, 28,000 general area. And then the next level of support isn't going to be until 733. And then I do have a very significant support level at 27,165. Now, do we get there today? I'm not sure, because if we do hold this 500 level, I do think then we can come back and test this 800, 870 area. Now, again, we've broken this trend line, so I'm really looking for continuation here. But ES is still kind of like holding this whole distribution. So ES, I'm looking for us to tap into 74, 71. We are now sitting at 88. I know I need to clean up my lines here on ES, but that is the lower end of that range on ES that I'm looking for us to hold. ES definitely been a lot stronger over the past several weeks. So I would be looking for ES to hold and rally up higher if NQ ends up holding this lower end, which it's not looking too hot for NQ, I'm not going to lie. So we'll see. It's kind of like one of those, ooh, what do we do? What do we do in this area? I am not looking to short here. That's for sure. I do want to see a pullback potentially into this 800, 760 level, and then see if we can get some shorts in there. Otherwise, bulls can try to step in and really push us back up. So yeah, but I'm happy with my short I took overnight. So I'm kind of chilling right now. I'm going to wait and see what we do in the open.
What was your entry exit on
What are you
it?
looking at, Spud?
Well, similar thing to what you just called out with the previous month low sitting at that 510 to 520 range. Don't want to short here. Want to see a pop if I want to short. I won't be convinced in longs unless I don't know. I mean, we'd have to go up high. Like I kind of just want to short pops today. I don't want to try longing. But if we get the dump here at 520, I don't know what I'm going to do because I'm not going to chase. So we'll see. But
yeah. Yep.
15 seconds.
Are you gonna go long or short for the opening play?
Yeah, 10 seconds.
Fuck.
Buyers on Bookmap at 62 and 50.
3, 2,
Jet,
1.
I was ready.
Boom. Boom or doom?
Bam.
I didn't
See if this
enter
pop.
yet.
Wow, nice pop so far.
All right, I'm gonna take a 1 micro short here. I'm short from 836.75.
Right.
836.
636?
Oh, yeah, 636.
Or did you get like an imaginary pump up there?
Oh, that's right above previous month low would be the TP too at 535. That would be crazy. Oh, wait, let me pull this. Actually, I gotta keep that on the side here.
I want to see ES get back above this 90 and then 96. If it just struggles here, then I do see 472 coming into play, which then I would expect some buyers to hold that level. Actually, matter of fact, for all my ES traders out there, levels I have to the upside on book maps is 575. I'm sorry, 500.75. And then to the downside, there's significant buyers sitting below 483 down to 478. And then another wall sitting at 469. So those are the levels I see right now. Chat, how are you doing? How's the chat doing today?
Chat's
how are we doing?
Fire.
Are we
Chat's
short? Are we
good.
long? Are we in a trade? Are we waiting? Are we flat? Are we good on the week? Are we green on the week? How are we doing? I'm in a good mood today. I'm in a great mood.
Hell yeah.
In a great mood.
Vibes are high. Also, you know how do we still have cinnamon stick coffee drinker in my intro?
Yes, we do.
Okay, because my new thing now is adding salt, like Himalayan pink salt, to my coffee.
What?
And it gives it this like salted, because I add honey to it. And so there's a salted caramel sort of feel going to it. Ooh, it's
Yo,
hitting.
that sounds fire.
How do we feel about cinnamon stick Himalayan salt coffee drinker in your?
I mean, I'm more worried about you being able to say that every single
me
day.
too.
Yeah, right.
I'll practice over the weekend.
Himalayan salt drinking.
We're gonna be fine on Monday.
So
All
good.
right. I actually
So
really like
good.
a short. I just added at 652.
The man is fading me. Oh, chat.
Yeah,
are
ES
we
rejecting
gonna
this 90 level. It's looking good for a short.
Now I'm
Continued
okay
short.
to add into the. I start light and I'll add in if we get a pop, because I really do think we see downside.
So I'm willing to do the same on my longs. That means we're giga fading each other. Huh.
Oh, we got all sorts of coffee drinkers in the chat. RB Biki 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 Biki. I love that username. I have tried it. It's amazing. Have you tried espresso with tonic? I have. It is
Wait,
quite
tonic
interesting.
water?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Espresso? Whoa.
With spicy water. Sellers are stepping in here on ES at this 80 level, trying to break down these orders here. Let's see if they
Oh
break
my
down.
shit.
Next level down is going to be 70. If we do break this level, NAS can start reaching this current low, this pre-market low. Nice. These shorts are juicy. Oh, man.
Hey, Tony, let's go to spot screen for his short. Thank you.
Chicken Trader never had coffee, never will. The smell is
Hey,
yucko.
I'm the same
Oh,
chicken.
oh, my heart.
I'm the same chicken trader. The smell of
The
coffee
smell
is
of
disgusting to me.
coffee is life to me. It is life to me. Oh my gosh. Put that, you know what my favorite, this is gonna sound weird, but when I used to when I used to live in my last apartment, I used to go to the gym in the morning and the first thing I would smell is coffee and this really nice, it's gonna sound weird, but like really nice men's cologne. And the mixture of that, not cologne, it was like this fragrance, but the mixture of that was just heaven. I don't know what it was, but just coffee and this like strong, good smelling fragrance was always every time I'd go to the gym, I'm like, oh my God, this is giving me life right now.
Chat, just update now. We have a 681 point session so far since
Ooh.
top tick overnight.
See.
My stop's
Yeah,
at
ES
604 now because I added into that, and my average
Nice,
is
Nick.
605, and I'm holding the shit out of it.
Hell yeah. Next level
Nice.
down, like I said, ES, the 747 level, 74 level. Where did I get that? And then 70 has a wall of buyers. And then after that, I don't see anything until 55. So if anyone's in a short on ES, it looks really good. And NQ.
Yeah, I want to see NQ like hard flush here.
NQ has buyers at 520 and then a wall at 500.
That 520 is what I'm watching. If we can break that and not just absorb and move high or like bounce back up, I think we see a freaking insane flush.
Oh yeah. It's looking
Come on. I want to be on the same vibes you're at from your short overnight.
Dude, it's such a good, like I was watching it last night, I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm just getting alerts. I'm like, all right, fine.
Damn. That's crazy.
It was great.
Come on, don't pump back up.
Yes, trying to hold this 74.
Oof.
I think you'll get it. It's not looking like the buying is not very heavy. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the giveaway.
There you
sorry.
go.
Fuck! Come on, keep going, you freaking rat! All right, I'm gonna trim at 500. Actually, I'm gonna trim at 510 and not be a dick for a tick.
They're
Nice.
trying to catch a little bid here. I think there's still room, dude. I think there's still room. These bids are not strong at all. They're not strong. I think we hit 500.
For now, it's 705 points, so over 700 on the session.
Ooh,
Wow.
my
Come
oh
on.
my. Who is in this short?
Yeah! No, tap me out, you freaking rat!
What's your target? What's your target?
I had to freaking trim it. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. So I was in 16 total. I trimmed
Nice.
6. I'm holding 10.
Hey,
Nice.
let's go.
Let's go. W in the chat, everybody, for the
I'm gonna trim
spot.
5 more here.
Dude, if 500 breaks, you have room to 470, and then maybe that 5. Yeah, if 500 breaks, we're going. I'm just gonna say that right now. We're going.
Yeah,
Oh
I'm only
my
holding
God.
5 micros now. Stop at 570, and we're gonna let this ride.
Oh yeah, they want it. They want it.
Yeah,
Ooh.
I got out half here because I don't want to see like when we get like sells like this, I get nervous of like those insanely aggressive.
It's gone.
pumps. Oh, it's gone.
It's gone. They were tapping on that door, like get us through right now, and now it just looks like it wants to flush. Woo! 470
yes.
next.
Come on, the LARP could go so hard if we hit this. Oh, you freaking rat! Go on.
Oh yeah. This is so clean. This is so clean.
All right, I'm taking
on
off
IQ.
3 more right here,
Nice, Nick. Good shit.
and then rest at break even.
If we get a back test of 520, I wouldn't mind a short. But man, I don't know. This feels like it just wants to go.
I actually just moved my stop to 520.
Nice.
I want to just take it. I want to take what I can get out, and call it a day.
Yeah, I don't mind that either because ES is still holding. I'm kind of surprised it's still holding given Nasdaq's weakness here.
Mm-hmm.
470, there is those bids are trying to come in here at 470, but I think they let it go. Next level down that I see after 470 is really not until 400.
I got 2
Maybe-
micros left. I'm just gonna let them ride.
I would let it ride. Yeah, maybe 420 tries to hold, but other than that, you got 400 after 400. Holy moly! I don't see anything till 300.
Fuck. Yo, my first entry was 653.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
763 points on the session. That's a lot.
Insane.
My entry was 29078.
Oh my shit.
I did get
Wait,
out.
29078?
Yep.
Bro.
I got out for a decent profit though. It was a decent profit, but looking at it now, I'm like, holy, crazy.
Also,
Alright.
chat, check
Yes,
the-
yes. Sorry.
So, Spot, check the background chat really quick so we can run the givey. Run the
Got
givey.
it.
I was just want to say I'm surprised with this movement here. Like ES is holding desperately this 473. So if it wasn't for Nasdaq dumping, I wouldn't have minded along at that 473 area because I do think ES can take it from here. And if NQ holds and if NQ gets back above 560, then I think ES will have already been pushing up, but I think then ES will start moving faster and higher. But it's all
I
dependent
trimmed one
here.
other micro, and I'm just holding the last at 520 because I feel like we're gonna get stopped out here.
What a move.
That was nuts.
What a move. What's YM doing? Everyone talking about YM.
Oh my
Okay.
frick, that thing is ripping.
Wait, why can't I see what?
That and RTY, they're sending
Dang!
like parabolic. They're still going.
What is happening? Holy. Market Maker Mario, I know you're a YM trader. Are you in this?
Oh, he definitely made a bag.
Look at gold. What's gold doing? Ooh. Man, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't looked at gold in a minute. But gold is also ripping. Crazy. Oh Lord. Nice rejection there. Still has some downside move on NQ. Crazy.
I got just
Ready.
one micro left. I'm gonna let it just
Oh
get
my
trail this one.
gosh.
Ready for
This
the
is
giveaway,
nutty.
Spud?
Oh yeah. Yeah,
Right.
it's in there. We're good.
All right, perfect. Perfecto. Okay, chat, if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you gotta do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I give you the keyword, type that keyword in the chat, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. Because Spud just took a winner. The keyword is winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Hey.
Once.
Oh,
Don't
wait.
do it more than once.
I totally forgot.
Good luck, everybody.
Don't forget.
what?
No. Where'd it go? Wait. Hold on. Provide me a moment. Provide me a moment.
We provide you with a moment.
Yes, yes,
Provide.
yes.
Provide.
Provide. It's provided.
Moments being provided. Moments being provided.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
That's
That
sick.
is good.
That's actually sick. Love that.
That's
Wait,
so
but then it
good.
disappears after and it won't let me use it again.
Oh no.
Man.
Boo.
Sad. That is sad.
I gotta delete it.
Mm.
Oh my gosh, it's still going.
I know. It's great.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Man, ES kind of. Wait, ES is funky as hell. What was the past couple minutes that it hit its pre-market, like its opening high?
Yeah.
Wait, that's crazy. Wow. Oh my gosh, this thing is
wow.
just
This
gone.
is going. This thing is going.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Crazy.
All right, let's pick a winner. Let's pick a winner.
Bada boom. Oh, Trader X3! Congratulations, brother.
Hey,
Let's go.
No way.
Oh, geez.
Yo, let's fucking
Great.
go.
Let's
That's
go.
awesome.
Yay!
Nice. Nice.
Oh, that's
done.
sick.
That's awesome.
Well done. Didn't he just win recently?
I don't know actually. I think so.
I have that
No,
feeling.
I don't know. Hey yo. Hey yo. Let's go,
Somehow
bro.
got that feeling that he was winning recently. Not sure.
He's a winner.
He is the winner. Oh, let's actually see what he wins. Spinning the magic wheel. Magic wheel. He gets a. Oh, is that max aloe? Almost.
No shot.
Almost.
Oh my gosh, it would've been staying.
Is it?
No.
No,
No. 100K growth.
Hey, that's still really good.
I got it in the back.
Nice.
Nice.
That is
That's
good.
crazy. Nice job.
Let's
Nice.
go, Trader X3. Happy Friday.
Happy
Almost
freaking
got my
Friday,
dollar.
right? I mean, I literally just I got nothing level wise on a higher time frame. Then we just
Yeah, like I
swept
said,
that.
I mean, I don't see anything until 188, 28, 188, and then 28,
Yeah.
27, 838 would be the next level down.
Yeah, I
But
mean, I was,
yeah,
like, I didn't want to
still
say
think-
out those crazy numbers. Like,
What'd you say?
I didn't want to like point out what I was looking for. It was like literally like another few hundred points down.
Crazy. It's crazy, yeah.
My gosh, yes.
Yeah, total session including overnight now 812 points. That's a lot.
Wow.
That is big.
Yeah, SPY has a crazy gap to fill to the upside.
No real
Crazy.
news. Oh wait, we had consumers. Oh wait, no, that comes out in 15 minutes. Yeah, no real news. Nuts.
This
Well-
gap fill on SPX is insane. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Oh.
What the hell?
Oh my lord.
Jeez. ES's 5-minute candles look like insane. All these crazy wicks to the upside.
Mm-hmm. Man, puts are printing. Crazy.
This is when you buy like crazy, like 0-day QQQ calls and just full send it.
Oh man.
Like for an insane 1,000-point rally.
calls, that's crazy. Yeah.
But I'm not doing that because I probably get torched.
Yes, actually looks really good for a hold here.
Probably trailed out. Let's see. I don't know. NQ's at its POC for the day at 480, but man, ES so strong. Wow.
Yeah. 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 NQ. I mean, we can test. We can come back and retest this like 550 area. And that would be pre-market low. Come back and test that and then reject, then we definitely have a lot of room. Otherwise, we try to hold here and get a ripper.
Everyone's screaming gold. No, gold's not doing much.
Gold.
Wow, NQ. All right, I think I'm about to get stopped out here at 520.
Oh, you're still in your trade.
I just have one micro. I was
Nice. Okay.
letting that John.
But you're heavy in profit though.
Oh yeah. My
Dude,
final.
good for you, Nick.
close
I'm
was
proud
like
of you. Good
480.
job.
Thanks. We're cooking. We're at let's see. We didn't get stopped out yet, but 520. It came down to 40. Oh, we're still in. All right, hold on. Move this down. The live has officially crossed over 20 bands. We started this morning at 17. We're up 3K on the day. We have officially overcome last Friday's shit show. So we ride.
Nice. By the way, next leg goals 717. We're not a gibby. Oh, we're not a gibby.
Fire.
Evangelo says Tradeify is down, but all the other people are saying Tradeify is okay. Make sure you have an eye on Discord, but should be okay. Should be fine.
Wow, I was one tick tickled at 520, but we're still
One tick tickled.
One tick tickle. One tick tickle. Funny. Stream keeps buffering. Uh-oh.
Trade base down.
Some people are saying Tradeify just can't be linked to TradingView right now, but Tradeify by itself is fine. Not sure though. Just heard it from a friend.
Just heard it from a friend. See if we get that 500 rejection. Actually, might be nice.
Wow.
But
Yes.
yes. Jeez.
Damn, I should have taken that long.
All right, I got it.
That's so good. Oh man.
All right,
It's
we
all
got
good.
stopped out here. No, I
You know
never
what? Screw you,
recorded
NQ. I'm
that.
start playing ES. Freaking rat. Even though I just made like all my bag on NQ last night. Oh,
I can't believe it.
ES. You cutie patootie with your levels holding. So cute.
All right, locking out this account, keeping accountable.
Nice.
We'll come back tomorrow later in the day. 20.3K close.
Nice, Mr.
Hell
Spider.
yeah, Nick.
Fire.
Let's go.
Next stop,
Dude.
30K.
Nice.
Dude, good shit. And you started this at 10,000?
Yeah, last one was at
Dude, you
5. This
doubled
one
your
was 10. Yeah, we're coming back for blood.
You doubled your account in a week. That's impressive. That's
Yeah,
huge.
that's really good. That's actually really good.
VP, baby.
Keep
You
it
know,
coming.
you know how Brett used to say it's the GP, baby? That's my saying now. It's the VP, baby.
The VP. What's the VP?
The volume profile.
The VP, baby.
It's the VP, baby. I need his little. Wait, hold on. I got it. Provide me a moment. Nope, not that one. That one's fire too, though. That one's fire. Oh, here it is.
I'm in. Set your stops. Order working.
This shit's so tough. You remember this?
It's from Brett's stream, right?
Yeah.
Down, but not out. Don't let
What?
loss break you.
I
Yeah.
remember it.
This is for Brett's old streams.
I'm adding.
Wait, here it comes. Here comes the best part. Here it comes.
That's the GP, baby.
I fucking called it.
That's profit.
Then he would come on right now. He'd be like, "Yo, what's up?" We'd be like, "Yo."
Wait, that was his intro song?
Yes, that was the intro to his streams.
That's so good. That's so good.
It's the GP, baby.
Oh man, that's a bop right there. Play that.
It
at the
is a
club.
bop. I don't know who we hired, but I gotta hire him and have him make one for this pod and have it say it's the VP, baby.
You should have hired him for your wedding as your DJ.
I should have.
That would be fun if you made the exact same song but with the VP.
Dude, I gotta. It's so sick.
Dude, you should
Oh
make
my
your own
God.
song. What are you doing?
Seems like a lot of work.
You got your own intro. You got your pole dancing.
AI's got to start cooking.
Mm. Put it on what is it? SoundCloud.
Yeah.
Start making money off it. That's good.
Oh, we're
What a
lagging really
bounce!
bad on the
Good
stream.
lord. Buying pressure coming in here on NQ. Lots of buying pressure.
Lag
Wow.
is crazy on stream right now, right?
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Like one frame every couple
One
seconds.
frame a second. Hopefully they can still hear us though.
Sometimes they say
audio
that the
still
sound like comes through fine, but it's the actual. Oh my gosh, ES and Q. What the frick?
Mm.
Wow.
That was, oh my god, that level on ES is so clean. Oof. Dude, do you see this? Any lines that I have on my chart that are orange are like, when I look at that, I'm like, that's a buy level. I don't know why I didn't buy it, but dude, look at that. Came within a
Yeah.
tick.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Calls went
was-
4x. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they did. I was watching them too. It's crazy. Wow. Crazy. What's the SPX
Holy.
doing? Well, SPX is probably in the gap.
Hmm.
Oh, not yet. What the heck? Wait, what is SPX doing? I'm so confused.
Oh.
Oh, wrong one. Haha.
Aha.
I was like, why is it not in the gap fill? Yeah, SPX is going. Nice move here.
To the moon.
Selling pressure stepping in a little bit here on NQ. Kind of both. Like
Wow.
buyers and sellers are fighting, but buyers are a
Mhm.
little bit stronger. Oh yeah. Lots of volume coming in on these candles right now.
I like.
I like.
Are we still lagging or no?
I think so.
What's up, Quantix? Haven't seen you in a minute.
Hey, yo.
Note
gang.
this level 28,975. 700 QQQ is my TP. Hell yeah, Alex. It sounds like you're in longs. That's amazing.
Hell yeah, Jay. I
28,975.
appreciate it.
Quantix, I kind of hope this goes to like 31K for the last 4 weeks that I've been talking about. So then I can short from there. Mm.
Wow. What a freaking move.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Are we going to Valley? To Valhalla? No, nobody short right now. Nick's in the long.
I am in a hedge.
Oh,
hedge.
right. Yeah,
Just
hedge
one
with ES.
MES though. Yeah, I had to because of the red day yesterday, and then Jordan is so tiny that I had to go to the hedge pretty quickly. I'm 3 micros long on MNQ and 1 micro long on MES. 1 micro short on MES.
What is volume profile telling you right now on the charts, Nick?
I mean, it's kind of tough because we're in no man's land between a few areas. Like the current profile on the session right now, we're above the value area high. So I would say you could be pretty bullish because price is going to look for something else, but that's only off of 27 minutes of data. The other levels I'd be looking for are like the overnight sessions. POC is 750. So right between Asia low, London high, where I'd watch and see like if we get a divergence on CVD, maybe that would support continuing along or getting ready for another short pop. But where we're at now is not anywhere I would use to make a decision, because like all the previous day levels, the last week's levels, they're all so high that the only thing that I can go off of was the overnight profile and then the current developing profile, and that was it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I mean, it looks like longs for sure right now, but I'm not going to jump in.
All right, I just took 1 off, so I have 2 micros left on MNQ, I should say.
Nice.
And still the 1 MES. I'll hold it for now. We'll see. We will see.
I just can't believe ES. Insane.
I know.
I mean, even NQ.
Yeah. ES.
Literally in like 10 minutes.
My heart
Holy
right now.
shit,
Like, why did I know? I didn't take it. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Yes, strong, very, very strong 15-minute candle developing here. I want to see us get back above this 522 level on ES. 522 is a very, very strong area of resistance now. So if we can get above that, then I think the next level up would be 39, and then previous day low, which is sitting at 548. So see if we can get above there. But yeah, I would say between 515 and 520. What did I say? 520. Yeah, 522 would be the next area of resistance. Give me max profit. Hell yeah, Schrodinger.
Let's go, Schrodinger.
Nice.
Why you allowed to hedge? You can hedge between NQ and ES. You just can't hedge NQ on NQ between accounts. But you also can't have minis and micros open. It has to be micros and micros or minis and minis.
Correct.
Damn, Babs. 200 points on NQ longs. Let's go.
Fire. They caught the bottom on that. Good shit.
Yeah, you literally caught the bottom. Wow, buying pressure is so high right now.
Nuts.
It's going crazy. My threshold meter is just going nuts right now.
Oh, consumer sentiment just dropped too.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay. I was like, why is it so high?
Bring it.
Wow. How is the news? Do we have the data?
Yeah, let me see. Fuck. Dude, it's like dust and shit is in my throat.
Oh, that's
But
right.
what did we talk about before the stream?
Fuck,
Don't.
I know all the throat
Don't.
comments. Fucking shit. Excuse my language. Let's see. 54.4 came out on against 51 expected, 49.5. I mean, that's good. That's a beat today. So I'd say that's gonna do pretty well on NQ. I mean, above the forecast, above last month's. So sentiment's improved, but historically still pretty depressed. But it's good.
Yeah.
I'm taking my second micro here, so I have 1 left from 28,487 and a quarter, and also closing the hedge ES. So now 1 micro left
Nice.
for the party.
Let's see. Fuck yeah. And then inflation expectations 4.2% over the last 4.6. So let's see.
Dude, Apple is dropping like crazy.
It's pretty dovish. Let's see, Apple. Oh shit, yeah.
Check on the
Yeah,
Mag
Google.
7 here. Nvidia holding, popping, trying to pop up. Tesla also holding. Google.
Google.
Google. They're all because there's Goog and then there's Google. Or just Alphabet, whatever. What else? Amazon. They're all holding except for Apple. Apple just doing its own thing as usual. Man.
It always is.
Tradeify is down. Dang, Quantix. That's amazing. Plus 331 points on this trade right now with one contract. Woo!
Nice.
Dang, you are
Hold on, sir.
making money on a Friday. That's what I love to see.
Hell yeah.
What's oil doing? Dang, oil.
Yeah, oil is just ripping, dude. Which is very
happening?
surprising that we're seeing NQ and ES rip with oil.
So bizarre, yeah.
I actually really don't understand this pop on NQ and ES. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like that news wasn't that. I mean, it's good, but it wasn't that great. Like, I don't think that would have saved NQ at all. And we're literally up 300 points from that low, and I literally don't understand why we would be.
I mean, I think it's just like ES is holding that lower level. It held it so beautifully. Like I couldn't even, that was so textbook. I don't even want to talk about why I didn't take that, but it's just, man, yeah. Talk about lower distribution holding on ES. And then obviously that's what helped pull NASDAQ up. Mag 7 right now is green, back to green. So we'll see. Wow. Next resistance, yeah, like I said, major resistance on ES is going to be 75.33. That's the level that I'd be looking for us to really clear. Then you have previous day low sitting at 48. So see if we can get back up there. We still have so much day left. I mean, the market's barely been open for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Sounds like chat's doing pretty well too.
Yeah, let's get a poll up. Let's get a poll up.
Let's do it. Let's see. Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Chat. Banking. Chilling. All right, I'd rather that be a B.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Wow, nice push. Wow. Dude, buying pressure is so high today. That's crazy. I haven't seen it like this in a while. Man. ES breaking above this 22 level that I'd mentioned. Now next level up is that 33 and then 48. Sellers are sitting at around that 30 level, 32, 40, and then resistance at 50 on Bookmap.
Pity. How long did you hold your shorts for last night? You took it from 29 something, right?
Yeah, so I only held it for like, I want to say like 240 points. Not very, I mean, it was a lot. It was a lot, but it wasn't like anything like we've seen tonight. I didn't hold it all night, but I did swing puts. So I opened puts overnight, and that was my bigger trade.
Nice. Nice.
But we are just rallying. This is great.
This is great. I'm loving it.
I'm loving it. We're coming into this upper edge here on NQ. We need to clear this 824 level like ASAP. Nice resistance sitting there on the 15-minute, and then 871 would be that next level up. So if anyone's in a long, I mean, this was a massive move from the downside. I mean, we've already moved almost 400 points.
Yep.
It's crazy. This market has given so many wild opportunities to make money. I can't tell if I'm here for it or not. Obviously, yes, it's great. The opportunities are there. It's just we've seen such crazy swings, and I've said so many times, like, don't overstay your welcome. But when you get moves like this, I can't help but like retract that statement.
I'm overstaying my welcome like crazy right now, and I love it.
But you're in longs.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you get a move like this, I would overstay my welcome.
Keep in mind, I've been in long since quarter to 1 a.m. Eastern time. I've been in this. And I've worked this for the last 9 hours. So
my goodness.
We are overstaying our welcome here.
I mean, hey, if it's working for you,
hell yeah.
Stay your welcome as long as you want. All right, let's see if ES can clear this 33. NAS needs to clear this 20, I would say 30 area, 25, 30 area.
In the beginning of the stream when you came on, Miriam, you said you wanted to rip it up. I don't know what number exactly you said, so that's my question. For shorts, was that around the 860 area, or what did you say?
Oh, to short at?
Yeah.
It would have been at 871, but right now, seeing how the market is doing, I don't think I want to. I like I said, I had a really good overnight session. I'm not going to try to push it. So even how I'm seeing this reaction right now, unfortunately, like I said, that A+ setup on ES was there, right there at that 73, 72 level. So did not take that. But now, I don't know. I think this starts, if this really pushes here, I think we can go. I think we can take this.
Ooh.
Imagine we go all the way back up to like previous day high.
Bro, that would be crazy.
I've seen crazier shit, but yeah,
it's true.
That would be pretty crazy.
Dude, I went to, thank God for, I have notifications turned on my Tradeify. I went to go to the bathroom, and I literally got up from my desk, and I saw a alert that I entered short. I was like, what? Or that I entered long. Sorry, that I entered long. I mean, now I'm going to throw myself off a bridge because it just kept pumping. But my stop from my short got hit, so I was long, and then I pulled it up, and of course I closed it for like, and it was 16 micros. So of course I closed it for like what was that, like $250 loss. Still 3K a day, thank God. That mental thing is there. Nice. But of course I closed it. And it's up like another 140 fucking points.
Oh my God.
I mean,
it's done. 370 points. I'm out.
Hell yeah, let's go.
Nice.
Are we ready?
I love it.
Are we ready for what's to come, chat? Are we ready?
Oh God, the receipts.
Let's wait, hold on. I just want to I want to watch this. If you are long right now on ES, I would trim around 35. I would trim around like 30 to 35. This area right here, not financial advice. I'm just saying this area right here, if you're long, I would trim and I would hold runners. That's all I'm going to say. The 71 area is going to come into resistance.
All right, chat. Just before I get into it,
this is like Nick's favorite part of the day.
We are green. Okay, we're good. Now, Oh, I already got them prepared because I knew what was gonna happen. Let's go. All right, shout out to our first victim, Mr. James Weber, who said, Nick, get out of the trade. Go to the lake, my bro. The Businessland said, if market falls 1,000 points, it would be lovely to see Nick blow up. Well, fortunately, didn't happen. Drama Edit said,
Funny,
Nick
it almost
is
did fall
getting
1,000 points.
cooked. No, he didn't. Infamous Mana says, it's painful watching you trade, Nick. I'm sorry. Lucy said, bro DCing into oblivion. Then Will said, I think someone is cooked. Well, is he? Celtics fan said, Nick has no strategy. Nick just randomly YOLOs into every trade. Well, does he? And Gaming Thunder says, Nick averaging. Why? Well, why? Because we're green. There you go. Let's run a giveaway. Let's run a giveaway.
Oh my god.
All right, you said the keyword, Nick.
Anything. Do anything.
Okay. Well, now I'm drawing a blank.
Wait, okay, I'll get you one.
All right, give me going.
I'll get you one. A simple one. Here. Simple.
Ooh.
Yeah. All right,
Simple.
set.
Okay. Good, I'm ready. Chat, if you want to participate, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the keyword, type that keyword in the chat, but only do it once. It is a hindsight keyword because the keyword is NQ pump. One word. Good luck, everybody. NQ pump. Now, Foxy Locks, that's not the keyword. I like it, though. I like it. By the way, Spud, in your apartment, like, do you feel the smoke inside as well, or is it just like outside?
Oh yeah, you can smell it. I mean, the air purifier's been helping, but like when you get out of the elevator and you step into the hallway, you could see smoke in the hallway, and it smells. It's crazy. It's like everywhere. Like the gym, like the Lifetime gym. I don't even know if I want to go to the gym today because like it's pretty strong in there too.
Yeah, that's kind of shit.
Gosh, yeah, that smoke is nuts. Crazy.
Yeah, like, you could feel it in the back of your throat. It's like a sore throat.
Do you have any sort of purifier in your house?
Yeah, we've got like it's kind of a big one. It's like 2 feet tall, like maybe like a foot wide. We just got one because it has enough. I don't know what they call it. Like it can purify it can pretty much purify like 1,000 square foot room every like 15 minutes. So that's pretty much our apartment. So
it's like you have to change the filter in that every hour.
yeah, I've been taking it out and like wiping it down. It's literally like black. Like every time I go to clean it, I look at it, I'm like, that's a little concerning.
Yeah, no,
actually like I mean, I'll send you a picture of it after I cleaned it.
Where is it affecting the whole state of Illinois or just Chicago?
Yeah, it's like all the Midwest, but it's really bad further north and like where we're at in Chicago.
Dang, that's scary.
I should have taken a picture. Nuts.
Dude.
No, that's bad.
Yeah. How long has it been going on for, the fires?
Just since like yesterday did the smoke reach Chicago. Like it was moving in and we're like looking, like we woke up and I was like, wow, it's like foggy outside. It's crazy. It must rain. And we were sitting there and we saw that it was from the wildfires. And now it's just like, it's just a haze. It's just this I'll send a picture right now. It's just this big ass haze.
Crazy.
All right, ready to pull the giveaway winner?
Yeah. Bada bing.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
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 Let's run it.
Bahart Phil.
Bharat Patil. Not Phil.
Phil. Oops.
Bharat Patil. Type something in the chat. You just won. We don't know what you won yet, but you won something.
The picture you sent, Nick, just looks like a normal day in LA. It's literally what LA looks like.
Oh wait. Wait, this is a picture from yesterday coming into the city. Wait, where is it? Yeah, it's crazy. Like, it just, I don't know. It's weird because it's not fog. So like the sky is like clear, but it's just a haze like level with the city. It's nuts. And oh my gosh, NQ almost at 900.
That's crazy.
I can't believe I got in long and then freaking closed it.
That's so wild. 16 mini
I
or
panicked.
micros.
Yeah, I literally panicked. Wait, when
I mean,
did
it's okay.
when
You
did
may-
they-
Oh, did he type the winner? I can't see him.
Oh, yeah, he's not in there. We'll re-roll. It's been a minute.
All right, let's reroll.
Bada boom. Akash
Let's
Shurin.
reroll. Vikash Shurin. Type something in the chat. You're the new winner.
Let me see what my entry was. Oh my gosh, yeah, it was literally 7:30, and I literally got in at 9:04. Yeah, so like the 1 second that it dumped from at 7:30, 9:04 CST, it dumped like 10 points, and I panic closed. And then right after that, it rips like 100 freaking
Oh
points.
my god!
I
What was
wish I
your
never got that
entry?
notification. It was
Crazy.
7:30.
Your entry was at 7:30.
Yeah, that's where I had like a stop.
Oh, I see.
Looks like this guy's not typing either.
Man, he's got 9 seconds.
Guys, you
to reroll.
gotta type in the chat if you wanna get your giveaways. Oh wait, he did.
Oh, he's
he did.
here.
He did.
Nice.
He did. Okay, I got him. Okay, let's see what you win. Gosh, you sir are getting a ooh 150k growth account. Nice.
Yay!
Oh
Yeah,
shit!
nice. Good
Let's
account.
go.
Good account. All you gotta do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email, and we're gonna be sending you your free 150k account, growth account, within the next 7 days. Congrats.
Oh yeah, the stream's buffering like crazy.
Is it
Yeah.
me? Well, can I still hear us clear, or is it just the video lagging? Okay, it's just video. As long as audio is good, at least we get to talk.
Oh. Yeah.
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 All right.
What's the next resistance? Fuck.
Still resisting this 76, 71 area on NASDAQ. ES did pop up above this 33. Still feeling a little toppy here. That's why I was like, maybe take some profit off in this area if you are in longs. But again, not financial advice, just saying.
Mm-hmm.
That Chris Bond says audio pauses too. No. No.
Shit.
This might be actually a good area for a short.
That would be pretty much where the area you said before when you came on, right?
Yeah, I like it a little more now. Just waiting, watching.
Waiting, watching. I know, I'm just scared because it's been such a crazy rip up.
I know. That's why too. Like,
That was a nice ripper. Rippy for the givey.
Rippy for the
By the way, that next logo for a giveaway is 888. 888.
888.
Yep.
We coming
Yep,
back
yep,
down
yep.
or what? I don't know. I mean, this thing is so strong.
I know. I be knowing.
But no one.
Okay. Tony says it's fine. Audio is fine. He's listening on his phone. Listening on the phone. So what would you need to see, Miriam, to take the short?
Just watching. I don't know. I can't really explain it because we're still rejecting the 71, but we're still holding the lower end of that is that 25 level. So I think I want to see another attempt to push up and fail. And if we do, then, or unless we start breaking down below 25, then I'll consider a short here.
Watching. I kind of want to see that break.
Let's see from the move.
Fuck, it's so strong.
It's this 25 level. That's what's keeping me from entering. But I'll see. We'll wait and see.
Right. Still 400 points down in the day. Yeah, nuts.
Yeah, that's crazy. We're still down. Previous day low is sitting at 29,078. So that should give you an idea right there.
Yeah, that's nuts. Fuck. What are we gonna do here in Q?
Yeah, just in consolidation right now. Try and decide if it wants to break this 70 area.
Approaching the 50% retrace of the overnight move.
Hmm.
No, we already did. We're actually 900 is pretty much the GP too.
Oh, interesting.
Man, it's like I really do want to short this though.
I know.
That rip, that was crazy.
Volume kind of died down a little bit too. Let's see. Man, they are, resisting this area. Let's see if they push here.
Wow.
I'm
a little perplexed.
Kind of, I have my finger on the trigger. I want to try it, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, just hit that. What level is this? 86. Just instantly rejects.
Yep. Thing is, if I do it, I'll try it with 1 mini with a wide stop. I'll have like a 40-point stop.
Yeah. I think you kind of have to.
Yeah. Because this is a higher risk trade. It could just go. Still holding.
I know. Kind of want to see like a 5-minute close under 850. Then maybe I would. But the hard part is like with the VP today, the volume is so thin just everywhere so far because it's been insane. So it's kind of hard to use the POC today. Stream's unwatchable right now. It's that bad.
Dang, really? Sorry, chat.
Stream's fine.
Right.
Trade was off. Not Tradeify, man. You gonna try it? Dude, it looks like an ascending wedge too. Like I think I might even take a stab at it.
I'll try it.
Risk a little bit of
I'll
profit.
try it. I'll play with profits today.
Yeah.
All right, I'm in short.
CBD is so bullish though. Is the only thing.
The moment I'm like, I'm in short.
I know, instantly goes up.
My stop is gonna be I'm in one mini. I'm literally, my stop will be like $500 loss. So I'm gonna keep my stop at 9. What is that? 9.18. 9.08. Yeah.
Like that, give it a little bit of breathing room.
Yeah, 908. My entry is at 68.25.
Audio podcast.
Audio podcast. Hey, we love our podcast.
Hell yeah, we like those.
Let's see.
Ready to bring it.
I want to see this 25 break.
Save on contract trading. Submit a support ticket, please.
I can share my screen. Show the trade. All right, there's my trade. Entry at 68. Like I said, I'm working with profits here. So we'll see if we can get this moved down. Stop is at 908. You know what? I'm going to just move my stop to the highs here. So I'll take a 20-point stop on this trade. If it does go against me, yes. Reason for this trade, I have a level at 871. Could see that buyers were struggling to get us above that level. Ended up taking that short there. ES is also kind of stalling around this 33 level that I'd mentioned taking profits on. So I'm just going to see if we can get down to this 800 and I'll take a 70-point win. I'm actually going to move to break even here because I don't want this coming back up. So we are not going to take a loss on this trade.
Nice.
See if we can get down to 801.
If we get this 20 break, I really like that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's holding that so strong.
Yeah, this 25, it's this 25 level right here. This is the level that I need us to break if we want to see any continued downside move.
Nice, 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 nice.
I usually don't set take profit because I think this can go. If this breaks here, it can go. So I'll just take my dub though. It's okay. Had a good day.
Hell yeah. That 800 break could be kind of juicy.
It could be juicy. I'm telling you. If this
really
goes
juicy.
low, it'll go. That's why I moved my stop because I'm like, I don't want this coming back and taking me out.
Yeah.
ES also could try to hold here, which is why I'm like, ooh. Let's see.
Held 807. I don't know. I might try one micro up here. I kind of like that immediate 850 rejection.
Yeah, that's clean. Come on, you little rat.
Yeah, drop. This, it has to drop now. I really don't want to see it bounce again.
Did you both take the shorts?
I just got in, yeah, but Miriam got in at like 70 or some shit.
68.
Nice.
I'm in at 42.
Yay. All right.
Nice.
Now I think
nice.
we might get the drop down here to 780 would be the next level down, or even 735. 735 could be a nice little, yeah, right here. That would have been my next target on this short. But nice little quick little shorty short.
Quick little shorty short. Yeah, my stop at 35. I'm just gonna let this go. See if we can catch a couple 100 points on a single micro.
Oh yeah, this is going. This is
Oh
going.
yeah, come on.
Oh, you're in a 1 micro mission, eh?
Yeah, we're doing a 1 micro mission. I guess
Let's
I can pull it
go.
up right here.
A 1
We got
micro mission.
42. Stops break even. Let's get a 286 point drop.
A little shouty short.
A little shoddy short. Wait, that's sick.
That was good.
A little
That was
shoddy
good.
short.
Wow, that's a nice short there. Hell yeah.
Some also call her the fat shorty.
The fat
shorty.
shorty.
Nice, Gomez. Congrats.
Dubberoonie. All right.
Come on. This would be perfect because I can make back the 250 or whatever that I lost in that stupid long that I could have made so much money on.
That'd be great.
That would be really funny. I'm gonna put my stop down to like 819 and then let it go. Man, it's crazy that like how much you can make with just a micro or two.
Yeah, I agree. It is. It can be
Like
crazy.
on days like today, shit.
Oh my gosh, I know.
Wow, this is the market. Yeah, I don't know. We're trying, but we just have to let it go. It's just gonna be kind of laggy.
By the way, chat, the like goal we set for the next giveaway is 888. We're currently sitting at 745. So 143 more. And we're going to be running another gibby. Another one.
Another one. Yeah, we'll have to step up the givvies to help with the lag. I heard that boost the stream. How we like Full Port Friday so far? It's been fun. Full Port Friday is very fun.
Cool zebras. It's in a short, not a long.
Yes,
Not
trying to hold
long.
here. This 9 EMA. NQ also, oh damn, I didn't even see that on the 5 minute. Tapped right into the 9 EMA. Oh yeah,
it's
we
gonna
might try
stop
to
me
get a
out.
bounce here.
Yeah, stop me out.
Buying pressure coming in.
All right, now I'm officially closing it.
Losing it.
No, almost got to that 35. Wow, what a hole. Haha.
Yeah, crazy. Originally, it was going to be like fading every rip, but low key, it might be buying every dip.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Nice. Ooh, all right. Can we finally rip through this 90 level? Or what? Are you gonna make me short it again?
Or what?
What?
I know, right? You're going to get us to short us again?
I
Are
mean,
you asking us to short?
twist my arm.
Shit. I'm okay to show.
I'm okay to do
I mean, yeah, you could convince it, actually. If we come back up to 880, 885 and reject again.
I might try it. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I know. I might try it again. Yeah.
Ah,
I know.
Shoot, I'm
Fuck.
You going for it?
Yeah, I'm going for it.
50. Oh my gosh.
This
Nice.
time I'll actually play with profits. Well, not like I wasn't before, but
Let's see.
what? Rokers be Miriam, that dip bounced almost perfectly off my cutesy little trend line. I love it. I love it.
The cutesy little trend line.
I'm loving it.
I love it. Oh, and Q, if you reject this again. Did you end up taking it?
Yeah, I'm in.
Nice.
Here. I will show this again. This time I'm not like super confident in it, but it's Friday. Playing with profits.
Worth a shot.
I have a 56, 76, 86, 15 point stop, which probably might get hit right here. And that's okay. I'm gonna
Well, that's
take
all right.
it anyway. Only one mini. We're chilling. I put it on my screen if you want to see it.
Nice. Give us that nice old rejection.
That is a brick wall if I've ever seen one. Let me
It
tell
is,
you.
my gosh. That's why, like, if we reject this for the third, fourth time, and depending on what time frame you're looking at, but like on the 5 minute, 3 major rejections,
Yeah.
I'd really like the short, especially because ES isn't coming up to retest it either. And on
Right.
these retests, CVD is bearish, so I would definitely think we could see shorts.
Ooh, is he gonna make a new high for the New York session?
I don't know. Let's see why it would.
Let's see. Oh,
Oh,
there it is.
Took me out.
There's
All
the new
right.
high.
Holy shit, that was quick. All right, let's see
Wow.
if. See, that's the thing though. I'm like, I don't like these kind of pops. Like, I want to see continuation.
Yeah.
But I lose on that 700. Okay, that's fine. We made 2 something. I'm gonna make it anyway. I want to see ES break this 39.
39.
ES needs to break, yeah, 38. NQ retest back into
Ooh.
74. I need to see that hold. If I'm in a long, I want to see the 74 hold. Or 65, I mean. Back test here should not fall. It needs to hold right here. All right, I'm gonna flip my screen, Tony, if you wanna go to someone else's.
Tony.
Tony.
This and that. Yeah, I don't know. I'm still not convinced on a long.
I mean, it's
Yeah.
high too long.
Here I am. If they can hold this 65 right now, a back test, I just like, for me, if they can continue making higher lows from here, then okay, fine. Like, I'm like, then I believe it. Then I believe that we can get back up to this 96. It's just slowing down a little bit right now because ES is at a pretty important inflection zone right now. So I would expect NASDAQ starts slowing down, but we are above these major resistance zones that I see on higher time frames. So like I said, if we can continue holding like 800, then I can see 29,000 coming into play.
Dude, a reversal like that on today would be just diabolical.
We've seen it. We've seen it happen.
It's true.
But if they reject here again and then they break, like, I wouldn't, I would not like to see 900 as resistance here because ES would now be making a lower high, and then NQ would have failed to break that psychological level, which then I would think would bring us lower into maybe even testing opening range high at 685. So you can see here they're still holding. They're still trying to hold a back test, but I don't know. Volume's also kind of slowing down a little bit.
Yeah, like I really want to short this. Now I don't want to short because my balance is like 20,050. So I don't want to I don't want it to dip below 20K.
Well, but what if you get it even higher?
I know. I'm just afraid that my ass would tilt trying to get back above 20K if I dip below it.
Okay, so you're basically saying you're done on this account for the week.
Yeah, probably.
Then how about you close it?
I did. I closed it.
Okay, good.
How about you close it?
Very good.
See, this is so frustrating. All right, short. Just like it top ticked me on that short. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Wait, as in you entered
Like
it again?
it stopped me out
You
as
entered-
a
okay.
top. Yeah. Oh, you rats. You are ratties.
Key level here.
Hmm.
I don't know.
You hold
Fuck.
here.
Man,
Yes isn't looking too hot here.
No.
I don't know. Something was telling me to tell y'all to take profit off at that 35 level. I'm like, man, I don't know. Seems a little tappy here.
Little tappy.
I mean, if you're holding from the lows, then I would still hold it, but just depends on where you got in. Yeah, now these shorts want to come in. Good lord.
Yeah. Dude, I know. It's like you were saying, like the pop. It's that little pop that's like, it's so enticing to short because when it doesn't get continuation through, you know it's going to come back down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine a Trump tweet. Oof.
Bro, that'd be crazy.
On a Friday too? Why not?
Yeah, right?
Crazy. That would be insane. Okay.
I wonder if we just chop around here, though.
Sounds about right. Oh,
Sounds about right.
I mean, it makes sense. We got a super big move. Now it's trading the scraps for a while.
Hold the 9 EMA. Yes, not looking too good right now. Not gonna lie.
Bro, they're so enticing for shorts. They really are.
Strobo 8 for sure. Have I done my steps? Of course.
It's so frustrating when you see your entry and then getting stopped to the tick, and then now it does this. You're just like, oh, I could have been heavy in profit right now. That's great. All right. Yes, next level. Maybe right here, actually. This would be a proper demand zone, demand area. Otherwise, VWAP is next on ES. 75.11. Naz wants 75.50.
We got that guy in the chat with the name Yeah Trade says, and they can marry me. You're gonna pay me for using my name. Yeah. That's a big session today. Big session. The overnight move was already huge, and then this move up from 28,400 ish up to 28,900, around 500 points. Funny how
Hammer,
it does it.
Hammer 000 says, why would you short at such an oversold area? I would give it time to change structure and go long, since that would be parabolic move. Well, welcome. You must be your first time here, because when I like to short, I go for really, really quick trades. So I'm going for like 30 points, sometimes 60 points. And clearly we've seen that. So I'm not going for a full home run move here, but that's my reasoning for a short at a specific area. Sometimes you don't need much. Sometimes you don't need much. I've always said it too. Don't overstay your welcome.
Yeah, honestly.
Last thing we need right now is, like someone said, a Trump tweet. Just completely take us out.
That's why like I wanted to short, but I really didn't, because if I have a repeat of last Friday, I'll literally throw myself out this window.
Oh my gosh. Was it Friday or Thursday?
It was Friday.
Oh. Nice, real crispy. Keep it green.
Crispy.
Keep it break even. I mean, not green. Well, green too.
Keep it green. Keep it green. Small part of the move to make money. Yeah, but I want the whole part of the move.
Goya was asking Miriam, do you focus on RR or just points for your strat?
Yeah, that's a good question. I really don't care too much about points. Yes, I do focus on risk to reward. Like I typically don't go for 1-to-1. I mean, the trade that you saw me take even earlier was almost a 3-to-1. So yeah, I typically do focus on RR. When I used to scalp with heavy size, which I still do, but I've kind of moved away from that a little bit. I would go for, I would go to like for 4-to-1 R, but it was heavy size, so I wouldn't be taking too much of a risk on it. So anytime I would watch market like start to reverse, I would quickly, I'm a break even, like I move quickly to break even. I'm not someone, like I said, I don't overstay my welcome. I will not let a really green trade go red. I'm just not going to do it. I think that's poor risk management. I'm not a fan of it. I've also been burned doing that. So, and again, my sizing is heavy. So I don't have the risk to do that with the type of trading that I do. So yeah, risk to reward for me.
Ew, we got Tyler in the chat. What's up, DG?
Hey, what's up, Tyler?
How we doing?
How you doing today, Tyler? Did you make some gains? Called those shorts of that daily wick fill on stream yesterday. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh, or Mr. Chain Bang, stay safe.
Whoa, what?
What's he saying?
Where do you live? He's got an earthquake on it.
Kevin, don't let your dreams be dreams, okay? Change your username. Life's too short.
Do what makes your heart happy. It is YOLO. You want to be, in good financial positions or, quality usernames? No, we want to be in, somewhat okay financial positions with things that we like and toys that are fun, such as a Lambo.
Yeah.
I'm preparing my speech.
Nice, yeah. Yeah, you went to the venue you said yesterday. How was that?
It was really cool. It's honestly just surreal that like in less than 20 days we'll be there at a reception celebrating and taking pictures and shit. It's so weird.
Saying I do.
Saying I do. We joked on the power hour. We were like, because they wanted to stream the wedding. I was like, we're gonna be up at the altar, and he's gonna be like, "Do you, Nicholas, take this woman to be your lawfully wedded wife?" And I'm gonna be like, "Chat poll, yes or no."
Oh no!
What
do you think, chat? Are we pumping? Who's getting high five tonight? Let's go.
Oh my
man.
fuck, that's so funny. But it was
That's
good. It was
good.
fun. Yeah.
That's
Oh.
awesome.
Oh, we got another trying to lose money but making money victim in the chat. Carlos, you're not the only one. So many people make too much money for some reason, and then they have to stay with inconsistency, and they're trying to lose, and they just can't lose it anymore.
Keep making more.
They keep making more.
That's the worst. It's like, why can't I be this bad at not losing
Bro, for real.
on normal days? It's funny.
Potatoes in get her on stream, yeah. So, like, damn, 6.9 earthquake. Wait, you're joking.
That is
That's gotta be a
strong.
troll.
That's
Is
really
it because
strong.
it's 6.9 or is it
6.9?
actually 6.9?
Where?
In Guatemala, I think he said.
Damn.
Dude, that's scary.
Yeah, that's strong. No
Dude, I
bueno.
feel like there's dust on my lips in my throat.
Dude, that's crazy. You should wear an N95 mask.
I don't have any.
I'm not
It's too
kidding.
late.
Order it on
It literally
Amazon.
feels like you're breathing in. It's actually insane. Feels like you're just constantly breathing in smoke.
Yeah, that sucks. You have to change that air purifier filter like 3 times a day now.
I know. Like, I actually might have to clean it. I
D
if I wanna
trades
go to
like
the
a girl.
gym, though.
Trades like a girl says the same. That was me yesterday. I was over by $7 yesterday, but made another 300 trying to lose it.
It'd be like that.
What is
Dude,
it,
I will never
7.5?
forget this one time I was trying to do that. I think I was only trying to lose like $1,000. Ended up making 12,000.
Oh my shit!
I was like, what
Wait,
is
did you do that
happening?
on stream, or am I crazy?
Did I do it on stream? No, it
Yeah.
was a while ago. I don't even know when it was, but yeah, I was like, oh, lovely, love this. This was a select account. I'd be killing it right now.
Yeah. Fuck.
All right, testing VWAP here on NASDAQ. Man, yeah, we could see a move down quick if this breaks.
Yeah.
Oh, RIP my shorts, man.
Dude, I was
Yeah.
just thinking the same thing. Fuck.
All good.
Fake
Bleep.
this out. Freaking NQ.
Or no, I've also done the opposite where I've only needed to make like $40 and ended up losing 8K.
And torch it, yeah. Oh my gosh, that's so it hurts so bad.
And then remaking the 8K back. That was actually crazy. I'll never forget it. My
That's
husband witnessed
insane.
this happening. He literally witnessed me doing this. He was like, "Are you okay?"
Wow.
He's like, "I can't tell if I'm impressed or not at this point." Oh man.
No, I'm not taking along at 722. That's just the Asia low level marked out.
Whose chart are you guys on? I think those are spots, right?
I think it's Spud.
Yeah.
Spuddy's chart.
Not taking any trades.
They're holding VWAP here. ES is holding that level I mentioned, right at this 520, 521 area. Let's see. Could be another bounce and drop. So. All right.
No
Well.
man's land now.
Are we looking for shorts or longs? Well, I was in a short, so I'm not going to do that anymore. I think if we, yeah, like I said, I think opening range high, if we start breaking here, I think opening range high could be, actually, I could see 722 trying to hold, and then opening range high, which is 686 holding. Otherwise, we start breaking down, man, it could get ugly really quick.
Yeah. And I want to be part of that. Be in that.
This IB, oh yeah, the IB is crazy. I didn't even think about that.
What is it? Let's see.
It's like at this
damn.
894 level, down to
it is
408.
408 points. Yeah.
Fuck, that's nuts.
That is indeed wild. Supreme Prolific says, Sputnik, you can paper trade your $1 billion funded account. Not paper, it's a live account.
Yeah, dude, that's a live account.
That's true. You could trade on that one.
Yeah, I'll probably trade on that one, actually. Get the fix. Major payout threshold. Nice.
Leo OP, Merriam uses bookmap.
Yeah, Goyle. So yeah, I'm a momentum trader, so I move to break even once I get the momentum that I need. If I'm not getting that momentum, I'll typically either just close the trade or move again to break even. But I'm really looking for that momentum to give me the move. So it's really just, it depends on the price action. I'm not typically in trades very long. Like you guys even saw me today. I was in a trade for way longer than I needed to be, but or I normally am, that is.
So,
Nice.
question. Both of you, who are you rooting for in the World Cup finals on Sunday?
I think Spain for me.
Spain. Yeah.
Nice. Same.
Yeah.
Same. Yeah. I put money on Argentina, so I can only win. If Spain wins, that's who I rooted for. If Argentina wins, I get money.
Do you get money if Spain wins?
No. But I get Spain to win.
So how are you winning? Oh, okay. By spirit. You're winning by spirit. Got it.
That's how I bet. The team I root for, the team I don't root for, I put money on. So that way I can only win.
So you're down like 5K, but you're at least happy.
No, I'm actually up over the entire World Cup. I'm up in profit. And now
I'm
nice.
joking. I'm saying like
this
if you're down.
If this one hits, this last bet, and that would be nice.
That would be nice.
Yeah.
That would be nice.
I'm down on the World Cup because France is shit and it's rigged.
Oh yeah, true.
Dude, Argentina, I gotta say, so the last couple of games, even the one with Egypt was insane. Because how are you gonna lose? Like, how are you gonna be down until the last 5 minutes of the game and then score like, what was it, 3 points? And then same thing with France. They did the same thing. Was it France?
Yep.
Yeah.
No, it was with England.
Or England. I'm sorry, England. It was like the last 5 minutes. And they scored all their points. Like, where was all that energy in the first like 80 minutes of the game?
Yeah.
Usually how it goes in soccer, though. Usually how it goes.
Crazy.
All right. Well, chat, I wish you an amazing weekend. Miriam, Spud, you too. Enjoy.
All right,
I will see you on Monday for the London session. And Jonathan, I see you there in the chat. Don't get too fucked up, okay? I know you will. Don't go too hard. But no, see you all soon. Have a great weekend and peace out.
All right, you too.
Bye, Nick.
See ya.
Have a good weekend. Oh man, what a short. Damn it, Nick.
I'm so dude. Don't even. It's crazy. I would have had a nice. Oh my gosh, I took it with 3 micros too, and I just got stopped break even. And then after we rejected that again up near 900, I took another 3 micro stop or 3 micro trade at 860, and then moved to break even when we went below 840, and then it tapped me out at 860, and then started dumping. I'm like, I need to close it because that's when I know when my trading frequency starts to pick up, I know I'm getting closer to about to tilt, so I have to close the chart. Because that's when I start making myself feel like, okay, this could be good, this could be good, this could be good. Not this is good.
Yep.
So,
I'm with you.
immediate closure.
Immediate closeout. Here's the tap here on opening range high on NQ. We could try to hold here. Really nice.
Speaking
Actually,
of orbs,
to
let's
the
bring
two.
on our orb
Oh.
boy here.
Let's do it. Joey effing Morgan.
Joey effing Morgan.
Oh,
Never mind, one takeroni.
give us a couple seconds. we need an intro for Joey. I feel like everyone needs an intro on the New York session, except for Nick.
We're going to cook. Except for Nick. He's got too many intros under his belt that his intro is himself. My short stopped at 885. Oh my gosh, that sucks.
It's okay. At least you didn't get top ticked on the short on a stop and then it dumps.
True.
Hey, yo, what's up?
Hey,
hello.
got the sunnies on and
Hello.
everything. What's going on, Joey?
Yeah, let's
How you
go,
doing?
baby. Holy, happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Oh, yeah,
Happy
happy Friday.
Friday.
Let's go.
How has your day been?
It's been a day, man. I'm right off the day. We'll see. We'll
Mm.
see what happens. Man, it's a
Is that why the
volatile one.
shades are on?
Yeah, it's a volatile one, huh?
Crazy.
Oh, it's crazy. It's actually crazy.
Yeah, we're moving.
Happy Friday.
Yeah, happy Friday.
Yeah, no kidding. 75 point ATR on the 5-minute, bro.
Dang. I didn't even look at that.
That's
That's
nasty.
crazy. Did you take your initial balance trade?
No, I actually took a VWAP trade today, and obviously hindsight, what an ass trade it was. I took a I took a VWAP rejection short. It was around 10 o'clock Eastern, 9 o'clock Central. We popped above VWAP, had a large wick, back down, rejecting it. I ended up taking that short, and then just it ripped my face.
Man. Yeah.
And I got stopped out, so we'll see. I'm still a manageable red, so we'll see if we get another opportunity.
Okay. All right. Yeah, we are just kind of hanging out here. Not really doing much. Still rejected that 71, 80 level on NQ. ES could not get above that 33. That was just, oh, I should have shorted ES, not NQ. Man, keep talking about damn ES. So we'll see. Where do you think, or where are you seeing the market right now? Like, what are your predictions on the day?
Probably I'm waiting to see if we go back to the initial balance mid.
Hmm.
See if we can move down there and then maybe get a little bit of buyers and potential long opportunity there. I think
Okay.
I think that'd be a good trade as long as I want to see it push through and then get a wick out back above Ivy mid. If I can get that, I'll full send it.
Nice. Okay.
Full
Make
size,
back my lots
baby.
of more. I love it. I love it. Chat, how are you doing, chat? What are we up to? How we feeling? Anyone?
I can tell you what I'm feeling, bro. I'm tired today. My kid was up until like midnight last night and playing. He's 2.5. He was playing until midnight. So I was like, all right, like he ain't going to sleep. So I went and got him and I put him in our bed to see if I can get him to fall asleep. And he finally got him to fall asleep, but he was like rolling and tossing and turning and kicking me in the rib cage and like waking me up. Like I feel like I'm on 3 hours of sleep right now. So
Oh no. Is that typically what helps put him back to sleep?
yeah, sometimes we'll put him in the big bed with us, and he'll
Oh
he'll
man.
eventually fall asleep.
Dang. He's like, let me give daddy a black eye before.
Dude, for
I
real.
thought- Is that why you're wearing sunglasses?
Got beat up by my son.
Oh man. What happened to you? My 2-year-old beat me up. Tough.
These are to hide the tired eyes, you know what I mean?
Man. I'm sure the wifey's got some eye patches. Little eye patches you can put in
Yeah.
the fridge
Yeah.
before you get your milk.
The milk.
It's not milk, it's milk.
Holy.
Oh man.
Bro, nothing hits like that midnight glass of milk, though.
Get out of here. Oh my gosh. That's funny. Oh, I can't get this thing to
Nothing hits like
settle.
the midnight
So do you have any
glass.
weekend plans?
I'm going fishing. Chat, shut
Oh,
up, bro. I
nice.
don't want to hear it. Don't even start it on me. But I'm going fishing.
Wait, why? What's the
Why,
chat
do you
gonna
not
give you
catch
crap
anything?
for?
No, chat roasts me all day long. That's all they do is make fun of me because I'm horrible at fishing. Like I'm the absolute worst. And chat,
What?
Can you even be bad at fishing though?
chat makes
Yeah, how
fun
are
of
you
me.
bad at fishing?
I don't know.
Do you just have like bad aura vibes or something? Like, what does that mean?
I look like a dumbass out there on the boat trying to fish and not catching anything.
That's
Oh,
so
no.
good.
Oh man, I would love to see what
Wow.
that looks like.
Yeah, I kind of got to see that.
Oh man. So have you caught any fish then or no?
Yeah, I have. Not
Okay.
very many in my lifetime though.
In your whole life?
Yeah, I'm not that good at fishing, chat. I try to
Well,
be.
yeah, you might.
I'm
you might be
trying.
pretty bad.
I'm trying to turn over a new leaf on a new hobby, and that leaf ain't turning.
Chat's gross. Wait, so how do
Leaf
you
ain't turning.
get good at fishing? I'm really trying to understand
It's
this.
some real nerd type shit. Like you learn like weather patterns and depths and like what bait to use on certain cloudy days and sunny days and summer fishing versus winter fishing. And it's like there's so much to it, chat.
I would have just put a little wormy on, the bait and just thrown in.
A
Call it
wormy
good.
on. Take
Oh,
it
you
from
don't
our
like
pro
this kind
angler
of
here,
worm?
Mario.
Well, you're gonna eat it. 'Cause I
Trading or fishing
my
is a lot
God.
like being new at fishing is a lot like being new at trading. You just really just go in for it and you have no strategy, you have no idea what you're doing. You're just throwing shit at the wall, hoping it sticks. And eventually you spend enough time sucking and losing that you eventually find a strategy that works and you start catching them. So that's where I'm hoping I get to. I did it with
Okay.
trading. I can do it with fishing.
Hey, you gotta start somewhere.
Yeah.
How long have you been fishing for?
I don't
And
wanna talk
being
about it.
unprofitable.
I don't want to talk about it.
It's like you bought the boat, you bought the whole trading setup, but you're trading.
yeah,
for hours.
Listen, no, I got
It's like it's a $3,000 PC to
Listen.
to trade.
Listen, I got the whole thing, bro. I bought the boat. I have like fish finders on my boat, big monitors. I have live scopes. I have about probably $5,000 in my boat for fishing.
Oh my.
Still unprofitable.
I'm still unprofitable. Yeah, it's bad. It's
Oh
bad.
no. I believe in you, Joey. You'll get there. Chat, stop roasting Joey, okay? He's gonna get there. He's just like everyone else, all right? We all started somewhere. That's good. Okay, so you're gonna go fishing. Hopefully it's a profitable fishing session for you.
Need to journal
Hopefully.
your fishing.
It would suck to go into the weekend red in the market and then go out and fishing to find some keys and catch
You get
nothing.
skunked fishing too.
Oh man.
What do you fish
Now
for?
that
You
it's-
fishing for bass?
Bass, yeah.
Is it bass season? Oh, nice little pump here on
I
NQ.
think big bass season's year round, isn't it?
Probably. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't know. You could have told me yes, no, I would have believed you. Oh man.
We're going fishing next week for the batch trip on Friday, and it's like ocean fishing in Miami. Ocean fishing, Joe. You've ever
Oh.
done ocean fishing?
I have, yeah.
That's the shit. That's when you actually catch fish.
We did catch a lot of fish, but I had a charter and they rigged up everything for me and caught the
Oh
fish.
yeah, that's the way to do it.
I
We
just
always
reeled
try
them in.
Yeah, you just get the reel. That's the fun part.
Yeah.
Dang,
Yeah, that's fun.
insane.
That fishing is really fun. 'Cause
Yeah,
those
I feel
fish
like if I
fight
did-
like hard.
That was a really cool experience. We went in Pompano, Florida, which is just north of Miami, and we ended up catching a bunch of what were they called? There were a certain tuna, I can't remember, but we caught some tuna. And
Bonita?
you can take them straight from the charter to a restaurant there and they'll cook it in the restaurant for you.
What?
Yeah.
And so
sick.
I ended up doing that. We had so much fish, like we weren't going to eat it all. And so I ended up feeding like 3 other tables and some like servers and things like that.
That's amazing.
That's
So
awesome.
that was pretty cool. Yeah.
That is
Yeah,
really
that's
cool.
You could catch just so many because like you hit those schools. Like it probably
Yeah.
was bonita because I know that's part of the tuna family and like we've caught those before and it's like they are insane. Like it's like a swarm of like a freaking hundreds of them just smacking the top of the water and it's like you cast reel for like 3 seconds, and then it's like, zoom, and then you're reeling in. And it's like fighting for like 20
They're like
minutes.
begging to be taken.
Bro, they are. They're like, take me.
Eat me.
Hey, bro, you'll get a serious arm workout like reeling those things.
Oh
in.
my gosh, yeah.
You'll be sore the next
Like-
day.
Dude,
Yeah,
I'm
Tradeify
scared to do that in the ocean because God forbid I actually catch a big fish and then I end up getting thrown into the water trying to pull it.
Well, you could let go of the pole.
Yeah, but knowing
don't
my
have to
stubborn
hold it.
ass, I would still hold on to it. I'd be like, no,
Yeah, yeah,
you're coming
true.
with me or I'm going with you. It's no middle ground.
What's so funny is like the one time we did it, and like we were fishing, and there's these fish called Goliath grouper. They're like 500-600 pounds, and they're massive, and it's like a thing, like a sport. You don't keep it, but like you basically take like a freaking chain link rope, and you have a massive hook, and you throw it over your boat with like a whole fish on it, and then you let
Yeah.
it sink, and like these grouper will take it, and you hand reel it with a rope. And so like the
Yeah.
one time we were out there fishing, and the captain, he looks around, he's like, all right, who's the strongest here? And we're all looking around, they all point at me, and he's like, all right, we're gonna do something fun. I'm like, okay, what's that? And he's like, okay, come here. So then he gives me these gloves, and he's like, you got to keep the gloves on or you'll tear your hands apart. And he's like, I'm gonna give you this rope, and there's a grouper right under the boat, and you're gonna try to catch it. I'm like, that seems pretty easy. He's like, yeah, it's just like 600 pounds though. And I'm like, what? He's like, all right. He's like, here we go. So he throws it over, and then I'm thinking like, all right, I gotta be ready to like reel this thing in with my hands. So I start wrapping the rope around my arms, and then he's like, no, he's like freaks out. He's like, stop that. He's like, take that off your arm. I'm like, why? And then obviously like he's like, that thing will drag you down under.
Oh my
And I was like, you know what? I don't know if I want to do this anymore.
Yeah.
But we
dude,
tried. It just
totally.
never bit. But oh my gosh.
Dude, those groupers get huge. They will take your
They're
arm.
Massive. Yeah. Yeah,
That's
he freaked out. And then my buddy, he's like, it's not biting, but you guys can go down and see it if you want. And my friend, I was like, fuck no, I'm not going in there. I'm like, we fish for sharks. I'm like, I'm not going down. And then my friend's like, I'll do it because he's the adventurous one. And then he goes down, and while he's down there, the captain's like, yeah, there's like a 15-foot hammerhead that's been around this area, so hopefully your buddy's gonna be fine. And we're like, what?
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
He comes back up, and he's like, I saw a big shadow. And we're like, yeah, it's probably the hammerhead shark. He's like, what shark?
Dude. Oh my gosh, that's
Oh,
wild.
it's crazy. I
That's
love fishing.
crazy.
So much fun.
Well, you'll be you won't have to deal with any of that, Joey, but that sounds fun but terrifying.
Yeah. I also just am like scared sometimes, like when you're out, because sometimes you'll be out like miles and miles off the shore. I'm just like, what if this thing goes down?
Mm,
I can't swim 20-30 miles.
tough.
Oh yeah, R.I.P.
Literally dead.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're gonna do it now, buddy.
Yeah. Oh, it's funny. I was
For
swimming
that
yesterday,
triathlon
and I'm
you
just
signed up
thinking,
for?
yeah, exactly. I was just thinking, I'm like, okay, wait, if I actually went down next week, I might be able to make it back.
Just swim on your back the whole time.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I couldn't. Even
You've
imagine.
been training though, right?
Yeah, but I can't swim 20 miles.
I mean, that's a long.
I think the
distance
most
for
I've
anyone.
done, just because like a time constraint, is like half a mile. But like an Ironman is 2 miles, or I think it's 2.5.
Yeah, it's like 2.4 or something like that.
I think I'd have to breaststroke the whole thing after a little bit, because like that you can take a breather, and it's not as hard on your
Yeah.
arms. But oh my gosh, I don't know.
Have
don't
you ever
get it.
done anything like that, Joey? Like an Ironman or a marathon or anything?
No.
That was a quick answer.
Whoa.
No.
Yeah,
He was like, absolutely not.
absolutely not.
Any interest?
No.
Okay.
No.
Just wanted to make sure.
No, I'm good.
Oh,
I love
man.
working out. I love fitness, but competing, no, I won't. There's no way.
Crazy. Yeah. It's a lot of work. Are you still doing one, Nick? You said you were training for one, no?
Yeah, I want to do. The problem is like the one I wanted to do is it's like beginning of September, and like there's no way I was gonna be able to do. Even if I did train for it, I wouldn't want to do that in between a wedding, honeymoon, and then another trip. So I'll wait to do the one next year, which will be September of next year. But then that gives me a year to like properly train. And after swimming for a little bit, I realized that is going to be the biggest hurdle is swimming nonstop for 2.5 miles because I have to take a break after swimming 100 yards.
Dude, swimming takes it out of you.
Yeah,
It's
it does.
insane.
Yeah,
And it's like I've never been so fatigued for air in my lungs ever. Like I come out, like after I go back and forth a few times, I literally get out of the water and I can't even take a deep breath. My lungs are so like tight from trying to breathe so much. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's like you have to train for swimming, doing something else other than swimming.
Yeah, literally.
The conditioning is pretty intense for swimmers.
Yeah,
that's why they eat so much food, dude. They'll like eat a ton of calories. You know what I mean? Because you'll burn those so fast.
That's a reason I want to do it, is because like when I trained for the marathon, I got to eat like 4,000 to 5,000 calories, and I wasn't losing weight at all. Like, or I wasn't gaining weight. I was losing weight at like 3,000 to 4,000 calories.
Yeah.
So I want to do the Ironman so that I could eat like 5,000 and I could have so much food.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I got really underweight when I was training for my marathon. Not underweight. I just lost a lot of weight when I was training for my marathon.
Yeah.
And I didn't even realize it at the time when I was training for it. And then I look back at photos, I was like, dang, I was small. I'm like, damn, I'm surprised I didn't freaking float to the finish line because I was so light. Oh God.
It is crazy how much like, I, of course, like intense training is going to do that, but it is nuts though. Like you don't realize when you're committed to intense training. I don't know, like when you go to the gym, I go to the gym all the time, you know, like you don't lose weight like that, but when you commit to like hard training and you have an objective in mind, it's easier. Like I would never train for a marathon if I wasn't running a marathon. Like I would never go through that intensive training because I don't really care. Like I'll work out to work out.
What am I doing this for?
Yeah. Like I'm not gonna go that crazy. But then when you do it, you're just like, damn. Like my legs were probably 5 times more muscular than they are right now, and I was like shredded, and I was still eating as much food as I wanted.
Yeah.
But the training sucks because you're running forever, every day.
Right.
I'm back working on getting shredded again. I used to be really shredded. Like I was 174 at my lowest. And I looked really good at 174. I'm like 190 now, 190, 195.
Oh, that's not bad.
But yeah, when I get back to, I'm working my way back to those 170s.
Damn, Tubbs. No, I'm like 190. I'm like 180.
I'm just kidding. I don't even know what any of these numbers mean.
I'm a different 190 than you, though, Nick.
It takes just a little bit, and once you once you lock in for a little bit, it becomes a habit, and then then you're dialed.
Yeah, it was, you know, when my son was born, that's when it all went downhill for me because I didn't have time to gym. Like I couldn't gym. I had to be at home. And so like I kind of fell out of the whole workout routine and just fell out of pocket on that. And so now it's like he's a little older. My wife's staying at home. He's about to go into like a daycare as well. So now I'll be able to like get back into the gym and get back to where I was. So I'm pretty pumped for that.
Hell yeah.
Nice. Yeah. It's just getting that momentum going. It's so hard.
Dude, starting again is so hard.
Yeah.
It is.
I know,
especially when you're consistent for so long. And then you fall out of it. Just getting back to it is very difficult.
Yeah, I'm with you. No, what else is difficult is NASDAQ freaking holding these levels. My goodness, what are we doing? Looks like we were pumping.
I think at this point in the day, I'd be nervous to trade just because like it's a Friday. We have a shit ton of things going on geopolitically. Like this could be just chop sesh for the rest of the day because we've had an insane move.
Yeah.
You know, 280 down, 500 back up, and then now 220 down.
Yeah, that 500 back up was insane.
That recovery.
It really was insane.
I mean, just ripped and just didn't even look back.
No, not for a second. The way that we dumped too, I thought we were going to get a little bit lower and see into the 300s, or even like a pop up and then down into the 300s. But we just held that shit so strong and then rallied. Like, I mean, that was crazy. It was like
I
10
thought we
minutes
were gonna
back up.
I thought we were gonna dump all day.
Yeah, we rallied as fast as we dumped. It's insane.
Crazy that even after this rally though, Nasdaq's still down 1.7.
Wow.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
That's pretty crazy to think about. We've ripped
It
500,
is.
ripped that 500 points or whatever, and we're still down on over 1% on the day.
Insane. Yeah.
Crazy.
67 on ATR as well is absolutely crazy.
Yeah, it's insane.
Oh my God.
Yeah, definitely don't trade full size type of day.
No. And not give back any gains type of day.
Do not make your red day worse type of day.
Yeah. Don't give back the gains and don't make a red day worse. Pretty much stay out of the market.
Yeah.
Don't do anything. Yeah.
Pretty much just don't trade, you know?
Yeah.
Start your fishing early, Joey.
Yeah.
This is a chill day.
Mm.
I know. I don't even want to go to the gym. Kind of just
I
want to
know you're gonna. It's the air quality is insane. I feel like people need to be wearing masks and shit.
They probably do. They sent out a thing for our building, and they were like, hey, "It's not super alarming, but it was kind of funky."
You're not experiencing that, Joey, right?
What is it?
It's there's
The
the fires in
fires?
Canada
Oh,
that are
No.
affecting like Wisconsin, Illinois, but the
Yeah.
Midwest.
I heard about that. Yeah, no, we're not getting any of it here.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, they said the reduced amount of smoky air entering the property temporarily turned off the fresh air supplies serving common areas. Hallways will feel slightly more stagnant. Oh, good. Our apartment's air conditioning does not pull from the outside, so we won't get that. Blah, blah, blah. It did say that the forecasts are saying that we're going to get southwest winds in the afternoon, which should help push the smoke out of Chicago. But it's still just crazy to me that, like, there's fires in another country, and there's smoke. It's so bad that the smoke has drifted so far south into the States, into Chicago, and is affecting us that bad. I can't even imagine the area around the fires.
That's really sad. I know.
I saw
What-
some videos of like these guys in a train that were going through like this forest, whatever. Their train. I mean, like, this is one of those things where they almost laughed about it because it was so insanely coincidental. Their train fucking breaks down next to the roaring wildfire, and they're sitting there on the phone calling like emergency services to come get them, and they're like, "We're not gonna make it in time." And the guy they're two buddies, and of course they're Canadian. The guy goes, "I don't think we're gonna make it, bud," and he's like, "It's not looking good, bud." But then a miracle train, another train in that like company comes flying down the railway, and it's like, "I'm here." And then they got out of their train, which by the way is almost encased in flames, got into the other train and got out. I was like,
What?
this is crazy. I'm like, wait, I gotta find the video. It's actually insane to watch. Wait, let me find it.
When was this?
This was like just the other day. Wait, here, look. Wait, I'm gonna send it in our TTV chat. Go watch.
That
Literally
almost-
watch it. It's crazy.
That almost reminds me of the there was this movie with Matthew McConaughey that just came out. It was a fire movie. Oh, The Lost Bus. That's what it's called.
Whoa.
But it was about the 2018 fires that happened in California, which was one of the most devastating ones that's happened. But yeah, I think it's based off a true story. It's based off a true story.
Wow.
But yeah, anyways. That's what
Yeah,
it
dude,
reminded me.
go look at that freaking video. They're literally surrounded by fire. I mean, like it looks like hell. Like, actually.
Oh my God, they are literally surrounded by fire. Are they not burning hot?
I mean, I don't know. They've got to be.
Wow.
It's nuts.
Oh, that's crazy, bro. They gotta be feeling like
Bro.
they gotta be toasting in there.
You got to be. I mean, I don't know how hot that gets, but that's got to be like, I actually I can't even take a guess because they wouldn't know. But it is insane. That was in my city.
I'm confused because you said there was another train that was coming. So then how did they get out of that train?
Wait, watch to the end because you see the other train.
I did. I
come.
saw the train coming, but then like,
Oh,
How are the people that are in that train stuck getting into the other train?
Probably just jumped out the door.
In the fire? That's
I mean, hey man, I'd rather get a little toasty for a minute just to get into another train
crazy.
and get the fuck out of there.
You're like, let's just.
Because I was wondering like why they weren't just getting out of the train and running the other way, but like it must
Oh
just
my
be too
gosh.
hot.
Dang, I'm just reading some of the comments here. Dang. Princess says, I'm in
Yeah.
Toronto. I've lost my voice.
Wow.
Mm. Oh, Jalen says that was in my city, Paradise, California. I'm assuming is what you're talking about. Yeah, that was a wild time. 2018, I remember those fires in California. I was in California in 2018 when those happened. It was just insane. It was so sad because like they were, I think the fatality was like 33,000 because it was caused by, I'm pretty sure it was caused by an electric company, like some faultiness in one of the electric wires or one of those what are they called, the posts that hold the pole, whatever. Anyway, something happened and then it caused a brush fire, so the company had to pay out millions of dollars in
Wow.
relief for all the
Jeez.
people that lost their homes. It was one of the biggest fatalities in history, I
That's
think.
insane.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, it was Edison. Oh, crazy.
Wow.
Yeah. Nasty. But man, yeah. Well, I didn't want to leave it off on that note, but it's cool out there, folks. Speaking of fires, but yeah, I think that's it for us today. I'm gonna be on the women's stream. Yeah. I'm gonna be on the women's stream with Rebecca later on today. We have a little bit of an announcement to let you guys know, but so tune in for that. And then of course we're gonna have a Moss, and then Joey will be on here in a bit, or obviously taking this over. So we're gonna hop off. But anything from you, Spud?
Nah, just hopefully shit's moving by the time we get to Power Hour. It's just gonna be Power Hour gaming sesh. So GG's.
Nice. All right, y'all.
All
Peace
right.
out. We'll see you later.
See ya.
Bye.
Later. So, chat. We're all alone. How you guys doing, man? Happy Friday. TJIF, baby. Holy, I am ready for the weekend. I'm ready to get out of this week, chat, to be honest with you. This week has been exhausting. My goodness. Been an exhausting week, chat. I am happy to have a weekend of not looking at charts and just chilling. I don't know about you guys. What are y'all weekend's plans, bro? Let's talk about y'all's plans. What are y'all doing this weekend? Chat, what do y'all got going on? What's the vibes, chat? What's the vibes? Nasdaq trying to get out above VWAP here. The roast is going to begin, not for me. Jack gonna do me dirty? Is that what we're doing? Fire's trying to get this thing back above VWAP here. Working, gonna be dreaming about trading. Oof. I don't think I'm gonna think anything about trading. I don't even think trading's gonna run through my mind at all this weekend, chat. I'm gonna be like, as far as trading goes, I think I'm gonna be clocked out this weekend. It's been a pretty wild week, market. House cleaning. You want to come clean my house, bro? Because it needs it. Like, it really does. It needs it, baby. Holy. My 2-year-old has destroyed my house. Vibes are green. Let's go. I love that. I love that. When vibes are green, that means vibes are high. And you love to see it. Uh-oh, something's happening. What's happening, chat? What's happening? Getting a little weird movement here. Bit of some weird movement happening. Take the IB mid trade on ES? No, I didn't take it. I've only taken one trade, chat, and I'm red, so I'm just kind of waiting for like a really good A+ setup, to be honest with you. Waiting for something to really just stand out, you know what I mean?